Кропітка праця на ціну золота. Відданість мрії.
Je busian for ichamuni na ewe Yesu di mu Kristo asundie. Pacho ene yamra naso. Mr. Ishmael Akwa, welcome. Mami Elizabeth Ohima, welcome. I'm a counselor, welcome. If you are Mercy, welcome. Pacho was so actually be na member within na Nala Mile, welcome. Yeah, Sister Penny, welcome. Blanks John, Mr. Blanks John, welcome. Welcome to today's program. Yes, one chapa. Ajogu, welcome. Sorry, I don't know if Margaret Ewusu, Sister Margaret, welcome. Sister Christiana Dankwa, welcome. Welcome. Wafake Rapid, welcome. And okay. A day movement, welcome. Okay. Sister FMS, okay. Time and aso. Na wachi na kasa afa akwantuo mu nsɛm. Nsɛm bebree je say na wachi die ya ten nsɛm ankasa. Na before say na be frɛ maame na yɛpɛ sɛ na ma na da screen so frɛ na wo so ka wo die ni bi. De waba be hu akwantuo mu na ye lesson ama ye no ma ye so yɛpɛ sɛ ye tu kwan no. Enti baje wo so a share ma wo nua bi na no so ne nsanka bi. Especially more Arab countries or no. Be move back come stories in fact na no one. Nti bia wo hwa me a esrew share ma wo nua bi no so mra so. Baby bia wo bia wo USA, UK, Germany, France, baby bia wo bia no obetuma ba so. Na ma na the screen so no WhatsApp obetuma frɛ na wo so oboye mu ye waste time kwa ya sha sia no. Mr. Williams Obin, welcome. Ya start media no and one no. Nti pepa cha wo so a like a video no. Share ma wuni bi no so embe join it. Share ma no WhatsApp. No so embe be join it. Yesu nhyira mo. Na watchi discuss concerning kwan yetu. Ebi mu e de ba so mo fa desert so. Ebi mu fa nsuo so che say very very horrible stories. Pink TV. Welcome boss. Thank you very much for supporting me. Same thing among so mo ba e be support mo. No problem. Me patch, I hope the sound ni okay. So sound ni okay. Sister Evelyn Dapa, welcome. Oh, okay. Sister Evelyn, welcome. Yesu nhyira mo. So patch, hope say oba so a na man na the screen so no. For WhatsApp. Na me pick you. Now so beka story. 5 to 10 minutes. Ma kwan. Ka de wa be hu akwantuom na ye fa kire na enye nse na ho. Ema ye mu bi. Enti Yesu onhyira wo. Patch wo so a share ma wunye bi no so embra so opeso se o kan bibia de kire ya ekwan da ho obetumi afrɛ ana obetumi nso aye audio eden e de aba Yesu wonhyira mo onya mo kese time na so for that no. Okay, thank you very much boss, thank you very much. Nti minya audio bi wa say ame let me abba my first time I'm baba dwumedie no so no me pese mutie my way testimony. My way testimony yentie.
Good evening, Brad SETH. Me who program manager on my mama friend. Hey Joe. Nkrataa come there na ya ahomete. Me was Spain. So over here, due to some reasons into me bedding and I WhatsApp. True who said it here. I went to you mun say maybe no. The better mun swatch it, no there. 20 years by Belgium. Well here. Kind of be do ya my boy man for pa mama your Nkrataa near the other. Baby actually no me mo mama ni paboni okro no medjuma me yeso ye driver ni okro ma Tisia me no kasa yem say 3 weeks mu ani no 2 weeks 2 weeks mu ani a mejai adwuma na me kam twi bola ka na mejai nsem bebre wo ho nti no de unya ho a ebebon komo na machirechire omu no wa obehunu se de ete ma ware pen wo krom ha me ni oba na ja ware me ni oba ni ja no ho nsem na tata me abepem ne me ware buru ni ba na ware no for krata na bibio no na mo me nkrataa dada ebe wi achire no me na mebre ta na eka no to de with time no ye be bon komo na me wo island bi a friend of Palma de Mallorca or Spain after me say 5 years no na me kope me ho asem ware me ware kroni ba na me be hu sa ware ama ware no afi ma me ho kire me mo me ye adwuma zo me nyeska 2010 na majuma be say company na me cha akoko nam me distribute akoko na company ni be gui no no oba na kire me say na ne papa e driver nti no yanko no chrome no free main Spain Andalusia Frejo Jerez na me no koy ikudu chrome hono na say na ntisa papa no ye tractor operator.
Okay, Mr. Ade movement. I would like to tell you the real lifestyle of a Ghanaian woman in Germany. You open your mouth. Okay. Intimate boss. Now man that screen is on free. Oh, what's up, free? Na Emma Ambassador Beshe Wagene. This time maybe it's Duko from United States of America. I said watching you from USA. Good job. God bless you. Very sad story. We have a story to tell, but it's too much. But God is in control. Keep it up, brah. Thank you very much, Mame. Esther Mesa Adoba say, hello, good evening, my sweet sisters and brothers. I hope by the grace of God everything is good. I'm Yadum, Yahu Yapa, Yahu Ding. Ante Pacho, wait to me afre. I also the story. Okay, me will be send audio aba. Let me play as soon as possible.
Program almost will be had Emerson. I want to almost especially Arab country. Miss Remini and I'm Ghana. They get to be cultural so or do Arab or we must go do to my the part of member. So as I will back me.
Good evening. Good evening. Me and my sister now. Welcome. Obiba, welcome. Aha.
Nimber we are walk. But open so back. No person long life. Arab country member. Because I over. When in Jeddah, they be a rebel who be shoes they be a issue. It means to obi for so on free Ghana. Even if I'm crying, can't tell some brand they said no. Because everything, or Mumbu Edla, especially we get to grab your mother, say, oh, yeah, me, son of with your fight. Don't go for Mumbu. Omunim nipa so sɛ nipa ho yɛ mmɔwɔ daabi ɔmo ne ahummɔborɔ mu nipa mesrɛ mo wo a wo saa mmerɛ ɛwɔ adwene sɛ wo ba obi bɛka sɛ bi a ɛhɔ nyɛ anka wo da so tew yɛda so tew yɛduru airport na ɔmo gye yɛ passport ɛbɛpem saa mmiri yɛnsa nkae na saa mmerɛ woyɛ wɔ adwene sɛ woredwa na ɛfa na wokɔ hɔ so polisi yɛ tight ɛfa na wokɔ wodi agorɔ yɛbɛkye wo akɔ akɔpem nti na ɛbɛyɛ sɛ wobɛmia wɔn ani atena ɛna ɔtaa mo so na ɔmo de w'adeɛ ma akotwa ɔtɛtete ma wa wasan kɔ wɔkyi eti wo a wɔayɛ w'adwene sɛ wɔreba mesrɛ wo mɛmba na wɔadi nsuo kora tɔn Didi, never did, never bought dance over by reference. Now go for more money, because up is all young shortest life. Because all cancel a titty amount of brother friendly, not per long life to be a just Nagana, because I even area who amenity at a tea. I dare some but I say the baby, and then the baby. So waiting Sadia, waiting Yama, so waiting Sadia if I told. Na ukrom ni do here na no ba boss na ba ya go muti na de mu e wiki omo sere chero nso no omo kuma mu yesu omo nye ni papa the wa agent bia wa na agent for so omo ye fo to the sense mean who where they say we from agent for no be here for the omo ka trema anam ho akasa chero no because we are mother for heaven na nyara country na over na be do heavy obi no na so what about volleyball
Hello, ma.
it makes it all maybe I
Hello.
can meet
Mama.
Good evening.
Good evening, mama.
Hello. Watching number one there.
Yes, I do. Mama, you're here now, sir.
I
program
suppose
the
my
country
Yes, I see. I shall see, but near try say, you better course in Ibi. Okay, I'm on my basso. I'm a counselor. Welcome. Venice Inshira, welcome. Mr. Simon Akologo, welcome. Okay, but you'll be free, didn't you? Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
I'd say,
About you, yes, I do. I swear.
Yamada Boko.
It is us.
I'm ready Boko.
Okay.
I'm somebody actually, but in Chamo, phone, you know.
Amen.
Messabo about so program so and say program Papa Sunset a country moon Sunday and Josu as Germany na me wo. That's it. Because I make a crime in much raw baby or no. Especially Ghanaian women in Germany. Main card become a pet to be just because what was so. Minim ababa bia na mene na tifi nukru America bamu ena ono ewo Germany even nukru ne twa tiktie bibia ma no ba Germany ababa na timi ene be ma foforo anyim awo 6 months nukru nim oni ne kru nso kasa 24/7 a day
Mba hu
make us say nukru ne ni abre opesa obesra no ewo Germany ha abeba no mo so nkyere nda ha mekan se die meka kusi an se ben kan dodo na die meka che Ghana man tri nyina se so bi wo yire na so girlfriend so so ba Germany o pacho da no atonsa kuna busu afo ne ni kujai because obidura aye fenoche intrafuto akra bi amde ma Ghana mema na se man se so bi uba na o ma me bi na so papa bi ni ha oba business wa enua eye so betuna fi because oba abrabo abefamu no wontimi na me se me ka ba kuma ma mfa ba kuma next ni bi ba ha obedi just 6 months onu ankasa kara num se baby obedanti no emema hodo na da no di ontimi di bayan se ohwe se de ofie na no ho tono na no sa na chi no ofie etino se me ka German ha a man lifestyle na wa ha no sometimes eya na ya ro sometimes yan so na ya tete because so obviously obi e wajadu kru ofie no be dura ba bi obedanti no obedan no be yire by force obedan no be impran by force na kru so tifie twa no
oh line na cut oh hello mama
line
okay Eba chamba.
Who want to that?
Eba chamba. Ah, boss,
No
boss,
problem.
hello.
Yeah.
Eba chokasa.
Aha. Sɛ na bisi kansa kɔnto mu sɛ no deɛ ɛdɔɔso na ɛyɛ ebi nso yɛ ahomete na bi yɛ atete. Enti no na sɛ mmaa no so lifestyle baako nso wɔ hɔ ni minim sɛ meka yi wɔn mu ni mi metwa madapa bebree so meka because ɛyɛ nokorɛ. Aha no minim Ghana mmaa wɔn mu fie wɔn mu so ban na sɛ attitude a wɔn mu wɔ fie. Na sɛ wɔn nya beduru ha na wɔn mu nya different attitude. Ghana ni ba enwere sɛ bɛrima abɛfa sika de n'aba. Waba yɛ ɔkwan bi ɛfa so de nya nkrataa wabasa pe sika mmerɛ nya. Onya nkrataa no wie no ɔmfa bɛrima no yɛ hwee. Minim ɔbaa bi a bɛrima bi boa no ma no nya nkrataa kɔfa no firi fie baeɛ. Ɔboa no ma no nya nkrataa wie no. The case ogyina so ne bɛrima no gyaa no sɛ bɛrima no dan mu bɔn.
Oh.
Ɛso ɛdan
Wanene hwenye kame.
Nasa ɛdan mu na ɔbɛtena yɛ. Ɔnye nweyɛ, ɔwoyɛ kɔsi sɛ onya ne nkrataa.
Ɛne deɛ hɔ bɔn.
Ɔwowie no ɔho sɛ ɛhɔ bɔn. Because of say aha no ɔho sɛ ɔbaa wo a yɛma ne dan ne yɛsɛ tua ne ka ne ade firi. Ti amɛmba ɔbaa no wɔn mu ɛmfa mɛma nyɛ hwehwehwehwɛ kurom ha. Obi bɛka sɛ mebɔ mma akyi magya mɛma no toɔ. Yes, mɛma no deɛ no ɛnnɔɔso sɛ maa no deɛ no. Enti akɔntom sɛm deɛ sɛ meka sɛ meka bebree. Yɛakyen sɛ yɛmfa kakra nso yi a na sɛ deɛ wɔtie obiara no sɛ ne yere so wɔ ba ha. Even hwɛ o best friend kora ka gye sɛ ma wo yere mɛto no na ɔbɛboa wo yere a me nua ɛyɛ asɛm. Ɛyɛ asɛm. It's so you be so to kwa baha. Na so prem so to kwa baha. And then no de meka kosi on say tonsa. Okowo busu afọ de ne nyai. Na wo se wo ne yere. Also be dru ha o you be misses. E wi ade anajo. Eya yoro. Ti basoko. Ba me fa si
Bate. Yo, medase so senior man.
Okay.
Medase. Yesu nshira pa.
Okay. That's good.
Okay, me pacho ya bra na kasa free Germany na boy stuff concerning ye nuanum ba bi omugu Germany a ebrafu na omobo. Aha, ebrafu man bi gu. Sorry to say Germany omobo brafu no. Mami gift is welcome. I see you are behaving like the people that brought the prostitute to Jesus. How about the men? Me pacho all starts no okasa fa emma no ho. I say man ni bi egu Germany. Aha, ono so oka man aspect no. They say mesra wo so man aspect a wetumi afa na wo so abeka. Aha, we pacho nye bufo bia. Obi ba. I see cool. Okay. Mami Joyce, good afternoon. You are welcome. Mr. Ojeba, welcome. Mr. Blessing Johnson, welcome. Nane Kuya Buajua, welcome. Adepa Respa. Welcome. I say I believe. Okay. Mr. George Appeal, talking from Dubai. Welcome. It's a gift to say. So why is the man blaming German women? All I heard from him tells me it's the men bad behavior rather. Oh, all starts and all kind. And it's also a man need any be able to me afraid. WhatsApp na manada so no. Now also the aba. We are all here to learn things, not here to attack. Mami Elizabeth or him I welcome. I say hey. Because Germany the history I'm meeting in and more nice on the women. I'm not trying to be a Judas Iscariot here, but more of the stories, is about a man. More from underground cast stories, chairman. If I'm to say something here, you open your mouth. What about no more? Aha. Mami Angie, Ajema, welcome. Okay. Pacho was so. Okay, let me see. Mr. Benedict Alpha, welcome. Mr. George Ape, I like this program. Thank you very much. Mr. Linda Buahin, hello brother Seth. How are you doing? Obe Pacho, yes, I don't know where you're say. Esther Benishin, I said this woman doesn't love the man because I don't get it. Whose responsibility is it to clean the room? Yes, it is a woman's responsibility. I don't understand. Yeah, also Sam, or you sue Sam, one Casam Bano, Omunina. I'm so sorry if Mantini idea, but what I heard was Mbani B. And me and Jenna no any the NC because Wakaka say Mbani B Omugu German and Omusubanye. And I'm so sorry. I'm not trying to be supportive of what he said. Ma be me pacho bet ma bem.
Yeah, make me a baby.
Okay, mama.
And then the area say, as far our restaurant, yeah, can far abroad, yeah, you are abroad, you are overseas. Our area one, and no away Christian, so this abroad, none in them slow NCPR, or more of the influence to the worst as he or she can be. But so be the figure abandoning them CP. No swing the power for Gia or Bar. Nobody can change him or her. But I don't say you're gonna you're soon go through the whole ascending for super because we want to travel abroad. Nothing will pass me a bar. Me are two of them after back bella. You're finding them in your shade. You're sorry, you see, you see, I'm told you so that you're that point. We care less about the God that we went and went up him. No proof. You see, it's in your form. I want to have so, and then I'm a woman, I want to be a 50 because you buy not €90 and $90 any kind. Instead of saying, we allow things, when these things, any kind. The project, a projection for this project, say that would be in 10 years. We have to accomplish it. Now, so what is that meaning next week? So, knowing you're missing here, you can never accomplish what your heart desires. It will end up in divorce. And young middle, I quit my back for almost 2 years. Miss Nelson, so I'm about to ma. When you end when you come, I think the room. So, when you come out to the ma, on go to get in a super rather so. When you remember what you're for, or waiting an hour in the SETH. One can't show you the but you go down your knee and you whip and you call upon your board. You run woman. Obey a cofanabano. So now the couple and more. Rather, one man, me or them are here. One man down there, me, that body of the Joshua, made to 2 number 7, not answering. So, no channel. And the yellow and the are doing such a our consume. We shouldn't come here. They cannot go from many I don't think where you're going to send it. Oh, your first time will say this world is our own and we're just coming through this world. You see it as true. Young men also know our one with some ground. What was going to don't live just for the not just for earthly material. And none of the bread idea for you, you be who to be more or be or be the oh, near the answer to your home. There's projection in the next 5 years, and they channel or oil. Oh, when it's not this time, a little share of Obama, no Obama, and ever ask him, Jim, or what you know. Never be you know, you mean if you say. No man in the warrior more. And someone at the end of the trip. But a man will be a pretense, a man will be a pretense. All pretend that they're Christians. Oh, and it's a form back. They see their true color. They see the picture. So much, and man will answer Madonna. And you're not soon a me on some year of Ghana. But Obama, many Bashar said the material we have to make you of the year. One in the man we need in some class. Anything that comes her way, no, he or she follows. So, I'm you really ever have me. No, men, one has to see a Mekaya. Me, or think of a black woman saying, you come I can make my warrior come to tomorrow. Because whenever my black or your son or one, but nothing you can be out. No, you know, which means that this is so bad. Or can the I saw so cool, this time I'll give them a far. My for now, some one me, I got me by my or there's always negative influence. And how can you me away? mommy, if I should agree, neither. On one the cover, maybe I have some box from me, but some of back, maybe within a year, no back. And me, mother, upon the Chadanka, on your insurance, on the dealer, so I cannot do what you're asking me. So, sing a more answer, no one funny and no more. We must have little well, brother, away from myself. Now, our rain with them on and position. So, if you're saying so, I in the dark, you didn't come my day, you went the home say, you who said, little banner home, no, some of them with you now. You didn't your free yet, your life. Oh, bring you.
Man, now for one and the boy pa, now for one and the boy pa.
Sorry, I was for a problem. Not so long, or you innocent minded, or you might innocent mind. The beer now or get influence so quickly, or be influence, either good or bad, or great influence. It's a what about Abrokyire and not so what comes to do by ya. Then they have to Kusamo. We have to Kusamo. What you better a good night.
No question.
Well, what you go home now? About Abrokyire, now what will full of boy, and in the one that a good now. And all show so one about what
we begin. I know.
Or in view, all that I understand. Oh, I'm missing, and you know, Miss Watson, and I'm a spirit blow. Or do you know, Sabo, no, so to say, bro. No, whether of dear Namu too much. God can let you know, he can let you know with wisdom how to talk to those people. But when the moon star, and what you about life, no more influence to the world. And you see about Abrokyire, you near the end of home. You mean and crying. We know or to do wrong, or be wrong. But what Abrokyire, that's me drew. The dreams in the men family now for one more next year. Also, do life among. Now, yes, sir. We didn't know behind there. And to slow. Now, we are Christian. Now, Coco and Waka. What do you want? What do you want to be? Oh, and if everyone are Abrokyire. I'm not some bravo. It's over some bravo. So we in from over system anymore. They will do anything to destroy you. But already come flash. But banner on this of the soul. All kinds of the cell. No. I saw Bonsam. Or they drop Bonsam for a bed. No. But walk a second Corinthians said, the angel comes angel of light. The devil comes as angel of light. Oh, one castle will now. Or banner or the conniving way in the back. Whenever was what saw Nimila, and she near the end of Christopher Fire. And never so many go be the Joina or be the Joe, mention of Vina, because of living in the past, or living in Divia, we are like and a joke. So I'm a channel, and so be one performance, not so be the no the 4.1. Please don't look at that home say, hey, look at sweet here, me say, I'm gonna cry, you do a fine yard with what. Not good over to no, and that's what over, but the two are enjoy it. You can't do that, Laba. Be content with what God has given to you. Namadia when you saw on a meal of nobody can stop it. Oh, one time when you're millionaire, and shit on them. May shall be the work when you're there. When you get into you, who got the lawsuit, I'll pen on one. Mr. Bob, and paying for your mobile Abrokyire. Oh, bravo, and see ye. Oh, my Jamu Pasa. I'm in the Sudan Bravo, and so Bano, you could about Christopher. All somebody destroy with the spirit. Or to be a who will climb on me, never action. On the messenger action into a shut of Bravo to destroy you. When you're under man, what shall I then? What's all the cuckoo?
Yes.
And you have to Uber Abrokyire as a cover deleted. There's no cool. I must have your cool mobile. At the same time. Because Obama, the football mom, you both feel one time. You are a football one time. It destroys everything in your life.
Virus.
It destroys it completely. Because one man of time, what can we say? It says so over and chilling, no, no, can some. And I say, yeah, but They be what our for over the Nkrataa. And you again the so for phone so from my gamma. In the phone name of Ganso Woman, you. And you learn how to go down on your knee and pray. And pray for your mind. Say that you saw some also young summon from pray fervently. This thing I'm slow. I will not consume me woman. Direct my way for me. Oh, you might pray and not say worry. Is this a worry? Any cases, any insect? No. Our rich wisdom. What they are? What they are great? The women in the minister, or whatever good myself because you allow the bad influence in this world to influence your life. And then they will say, "What the name in your mother and then could be a way anyway." A woman change the same journey to bring a premier. On your main check and they say, "What school in any on your main ever time, I've done it any. You're just like someone. I don't any the whole shit about it. They need a whole thing that make I need to talk about who you are. Sorry. Also, share over Nkrataa. Okay, it's not the different no. Okay, try. Just you may be wow. Or yes, I'm the one from I'm not I think you class. Oh, but yeah, that's the same baby. You will ask us to do them. Instead of the dear one to go on. Instead of the life, there's all the information you need. But your mind is changing. Maybe your mom be there and to for the work. You know, the Uber chief, I'm just the one thing I'm saying back then. The young ask the very planet. It will not go the way you want it to be. But so when you need to do things, when you make every problem. I'm not sure. I don't know to buy a new movie. You don't have to go stick for it. Because also the only shot of something and some new can ya. On the new lacking never there. And the house. You will be the top of the chair with simple. The one, the next on the fear, the real nature of the fear. Of your good see, I'm not a fan of this fear. Stop it. Nobody in the house. Stop getting together with your feeling. But for the year, if you know the 20 Yara, almost have no longer in that, and you know that it comes. Yes, and just about it's time for finding Yara. And that's enough, you know. Why am I probably and just the out of you? It's just how similar. And you know, you need someone you need to have. You know, you and then you just oh, but I and now, remember, all right, I send it upside down. Because we are all when you're in the moon, and you are how the bread of the woman. So we come back to this, not come back. None of them messing no, when you are about to suffer, not bread, and my father may gather him out. Well, nothing now. Oh, yeah, and every next day,
Hello, Mama. Online, ewe chire pa.
Is that so?
Yes, please.
I hear some sound on the thing I saw this driving, but I'm just sitting right here.
Okay.
I hear somebody's driving, but I'm sitting down right here. I've been driving, I'm talking, and I'm a normal car.
Okay.
But all the same, no. I pray. It's all that the about I come back here to this. I can do that. Why?
Okay, mama.
So, it's with them. Basically, I'm not going to stop him. Why?
Okay,
I'm not
bacho
going to stop him.
bacho. Yo, bacho. Okay. I don't know. So papa so na driving so I don't know. Papa bacho beto meet we na my.
Me drive on 10 years.
Ana mute na me call we no so. Udu baby ya ni amo akasa. Because I know dey pa. E bacho mate.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay now.
Yeah, after the two voice kakra.
Okay, until we go ahead and me drive up mini.
Okay, until mute my mute wo side ho na wo be so kasa na we yi ya te. Asa ya te background sound.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Charity Amwa, welcome. Christiana Dankwa, welcome. Let me see. Sister Grace, welcome. Mame Angela Amegbeja say I am hoovering them out. Wait. Mami Anita say pretenders, for how long will you continue to pretend? My counselor say we have to find or get real love, because some love because of money, travel, material. They love because of what they get and not because of love. Ojeba, I say yes. So at them as at the Germany, we work in hours. When you are 8 hours, it's over. You are free to go anywhere you want to go. In Shara favor, I say pretenders, God will deal with you. Angela Amegbeji, I say they spread from one place to another like bad gas. Yes, favor. Some people we keep as friends. Blessing Johnson, as women should stop comparing themselves to others and be content with what they have in their marriages, or else they can never be happy. In Shara favor, we think witches are only in our family. No, some friends too are destiny killers. At the Parespa movement, they go outside with their madam, etc., but slept with men. Oh, wow. Yes, mommy, thank you. When an Abrokyire the man, no. Ademu, as it's never true in Germany. You can't go out because you are working under contract, not in Germany. My mate Angela Amegbe just digging until there's no more digging. Jerry G was, oh yes, thank you, mommy. God bless you. Anita Fojo, my me Anita was the response she will regret later. My me Angie, I say at the movement, I say Adepa, I have never heard about contact house, or is it contract or contact house? Can you tell us more? Nana Boajo, I say forcing a man to marry you, pa boy. Germany, I have friends, they work in contact. They can't sleep with men or go outside without any something movement. Benedicta for some lady force a man to go get married. Hey, Atiso K George, Mr. Atiso. Hi, brother. I love your program. God bless you. God bless you too. Outside we don't have a man work or woman workplaces. Yeah, mercy, dear no. Okay, right now no comment no. I say yes so inshira. Yonko nti. Koto nyati. Nana Boajo, fake people are too many much, so you don't even know the real ones. Also no dear or the buyer no. In Shafi was some are human to Mordecai. God will fight against us. But what also bet to my friend, I'm another screen, so bet to my friend. Bet to my friend. No bed you made no so. Wait to me about the media no so. Now man at that screen no so. Bet to me afraid. Yes, you unshira pa. Some are in prison because of bad friends. Yeah, and young cool. Idea ya pa so betuka kwa obi man so ni achiwa tum. because of mistake bi akoye. It's very very horrible. Very 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 horrible. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho. Aso meti enwom bi we chire o.
Okay.
Aha. Pacho na man da so no betumi nso afrɛ. Wobetumi afrɛ na yetie wo nso we ya ode baba amaye. Ana nso betumi ay audio enso de de aba. Aha nti ye twɛn mo. Yesu nhyira mo pa. Mami Anita, for just play some trade from your number to store where I can see your number in order. Please, I can give you a number. Oh, okay. Oh, mumu for na manebra. Anita for Joe. But one manebra na men store na men fro. So person we ya. Obaswa. Ya semu. Na wachi die ya so ya nsema ya tene dwumedie no so ne die. Ano odin. Papa. Ano odin. I mean, as a mind blowing. Yes. Mind blowing pa honestly. Nti say bi I was often wo tu kwan a yonko sem about 2 years. Ubi sam me yonko ne hwan a me ni bi. Me yonko ne me laptop, me yonko ne me phone, me yonko ne me bible asa me ni friend. Because I had on ko bo bia. Mr. Z I say it's very clear that she is looking for something from the guy. For what I can see, they are no love there. Yeah. Okay, video na that screen is about opposite rather. Story na opposite me ba be chechire mu na Matthias say it's very very horrible. Very very horrible. And so we pay one day near discuss ya fa. So my save sister na number no near hwa de for one number no I don't know. Me patch my country code ni saying. Oh, I ain't fa me Anita patch okro ben so. I say number no enye complete. Number no enye complete. Who me hu ya na ka me the country code na so. The Germany dia I don't know. I'm here. The Germany contact bi wa ha. I'm share mu code no. Okay. We say some spiritual CID. I don't know. So yeah, America they have +1 in Shane in America. United States. I mean Anita, if I show USA na. Because the one Shane with the show by USA. I don't know if you're in USA because me say me kwa kwesi via e ba be hwe me ha. Aha. The batch na man da so no so betumi afre na wo de wo story aba. We are waiting before say be makwa ma papa ne ya ma me no abemu a. Ye be kasa ko deep na ye chima ko ye aware aspect no. Because eno ya ade e dominate e wa kwantuo mu pa Abrokyire no. Very very terrible. Very terrible. Very terrible. Omo fa omukunu no ma. Mami Grace, good evening. Omo fa omukunu no ma. Mudu Abrokyire pe na me manage omo. Yeah, be pacho me hu Mami Grace me hu na man but me bisa se wo country ben. Wo Germany, Spain ana se wo USA. Na metumi hu country code na me da share nim mesrew. Na na kuase CID is even small. They are general inspectors cry. Good evening. Okay, Germany. Mami Grace was Germany. Okay. Mami Anita. Ami Anita na pese me hu baby a ofi na me de na no na ma ne ka ho na metumi save na me frɛ no. I don't know. Sɛ wo Spain dia ɛnyɛ saa nso a ɛna number na ɛnyɛ complete because ɛnso number na ɛnso. Oh, Pacho, me mo Ukraine ha say. Ukraine na me wo no. Mr. Mike Williams, me wo Ukraine. Yeah. We say Abuboba. Okay. Enti pap da betuma bem why? Ma na da mu ba ko betuma bem na. Okay. Papa na woso. That's true. Thank you very much, Mr. Mike. Thank you.
Na me wɔ island bi a friend no Palma de Mallorca or Spain. After me say 5 years no. Na me kɔpɛ me ho asɛm ware. Me ware kroni ba. Na me behu sɛ ware ama ware no. Afei ma me ho kyerɛ me mo. Me yɛ adwuma so me nyɛ sika. 2010 na madwuma bɛsɛeɛ. Company na me kyɛ akokɔ nam. Me distribute akokɔ. Na company ni bɛgui. Na ɔno ɔbaa no kyerɛ me sɛ na ne papa yɛ driver. Nti no yɛnkɔ.
Hello, ma Gladys, welcome.
Main Spain, Andalusia.
Welcome.
Freho Jerez. Na me ne kɔɛ. Ikudu krom hɔ no na sɛ na nte saa.
Hello.
Papa no yɛ tractor.
Mabi.
Yeah.
Aha.
Yes.
Pacho betuma bem na.
Yeah, make me up, but dim like 30 seconds. But yeah, I can't master why.
Me Pacho bate.
Was so
No problem, ti mute no. Oba ya na ya mo atwa so. Okay.
Operator. P truck kurada. Fine. Me be hozu okrom hɔ a pɛ adwuma. Afei me kɔ adwuma ba me hu sɛ efie hɔ no mayɛ bibi hɔ. Ayi telecommand no minim ni sɛ de ka no. Ayi no a wɔde so tele no. Telecommand, you know. Usomo na epika okɔ horo nsa na afei hu sɛ adi asɛm ni. Oba obi abadam house dabi. Na dey na fedem han my style. Say no oba na poison me. O bekume krakra. Ebe hu akira kwan. That road there. Ekoba na say SSE Eko hospital because afi me hu say me yefuno ahye. Me yefuno ayekutu. Na me yefuno ayekutu no so no. Oko ayi unsa ha ne yewo doctors ayi agu ahodo. Oko sa hospital ne bia. O se Jedro econom. Onu madro no so a unhunu hwe. Fine. Me ye ya se me sa me ho yare. Na ye na da kro me call hospital na akoa bi hu mi no tie mu se wo oba na wawa no ono na ebekun se wuni mu a. Ei, Oba na ma wan no ne bekumi de ma yebo ne be no oba ne bekumi. Okay. Enko baby a okọ hospital no, ko main hospital. Ampa osu ko fi ahwe mpa boam, ampa me ko fi so me ko hwe mpa boam de ma me gi akwa ne di no na me hu se saa de na me ka se ye de ye ayi telecommand no ye de gu mpa boam no nyina. O sha na ona se ahye for be 5 minutes. U rompa boa no a na se u kodware a na fe na ho ayu.
Hello?
Hello, mama.
Hey, e di asem ni.
Yeah.
Aba chaka sa.
Yeah, Abrokyire ha no, yeah, na afutu pa me do me enyan na wo platform se. Oba ayoko badie. Mo dia se, unyo bioko ye feku. Ye feku. E bi no ma oba. Me fa se ya so da get that thing and be your model. Ama oba de, oba Abrokyire mu. Na oba ense so mo so wo no. Ya sha se Johnny groups. The movie power mekano. Oboma, you can see say one man named that thing and then I don't want to be Americano. Obama, in some sort of watching a mission, no one so number one graduation, no never on team talk and not what did the council, not the how I'm going to do. As Kitchama, we are going to make a from a bad point of view. Don't be a good challenge back. You have to go to back. No, you think that what's in there? Not about your buffalo. Or not about everybody. You think Bonifia. That should be no. And to come back to me. On the dish in our free chick, in our free cheek. And now four, send me the pray. Show, yeah, what needs to swim. Oh, I'm not going to moving to swim. But what that for power, what needs to swim. And let you go move your platform. And then for you to be able to choose what means to wait and a downfall. What shall brava or bona as a Christian in my pabra, and also a downfall. Or be a home to don't call that person your friend or your associate. That's it. Friends, Mr. Obia, over to move to crash and not what part back. I will be no that me, young from me, brother. Not born by when you saw one like I saw over by one. But where there, only one fire. And so good at it. Enough for name the swan or the action with you. Men rushing us, hey, I don't know. My sister, or Johanna, you took a woman, you didn't discuss Gamma. Now, first I will put it though. But one last animal know him. I'll try to be and I said, oh, check one I'll go for me. My sister to me, oh, open the sky. Let's come on, where's the sorry on your Adam for. On you know that this but there's no way in the scriptures, sir. You got to be everything more bit of we won't buy a man. So much, you know, and Miss Snapper, I can't make any all plan from Swa, who do a bridge, I think about delete it. I think about said, no, gun, no, we have got to Pogama, who do a bridge here, so strong. Men for I one and all Kubo Gamma, or see. Because at the same market here, I see the gray or how I don't know the drug and you hear go to where she decisions to be who are about life. She was to be a more big and marvel and not fear any actual video. Naka Udinura, and that's what we are moving traffic. I saw someone, you know, more graphic bunker and what was in Jimmy. But the dear father never said they were there. No phone to and something like that. And something
Mr.
Miss Slampaka. That would drop the Chima. Mr. Will be our own months after Aboriginal and son in San Croix and Bruce Becker. We'll be an organ no count. Man, Margaret, Mungaso, who calls some ass to cast a club and shovels into who was at the trade. Who can see me over to him? Now, all the conscience of it, homeless. Who only at the bridge, only I won't be able to I never you with them, no at the bridge. I say, who was a bra, no brain, Yanma or Gamma, the cell, never a few who got the Chimema. Men may have to go, men did not also possible because a celebrate, a celebrate a few minutes. I can want for a couple control before, but the allow who wants to walk ever pretend me. All camouflage to the angel of light, but the angel of darkness. No more. Number so shit. And you so what class of one number did me as no. Since to my body program was a offline show. Not for any of you. And that's on June 1st of two. You will be a better idea for such and two. But the I can't count that. You make presentation ministry also repent for the kingdom of God at time. You know, our brother fool to try. Not more of only you. One for a brother. And the other thing for the see me that catch now. Over Abrokyire or be on my meeting to be full. And to what you could be. Meaning, I just said, oh, want to go for now. She said, what did the mayor? She said, what worry? What you look about I could see here. I don't know if country where man and the film. Or no, I saw me there. Or get the other there. Or what take out the home. And some of was Obama, the sea was bushy for over 30 years and sort of go out of like 12 when I'm about Pro-Gimano. Oh, it's about Abrokyire 50 years, 30 years. 30 years with a young city. I'll be about 54 years or more with the other. Or more with the other. And so I shall say, what am I aggressive when it's down? Or better that, adding that day, adding that, I'll influence you. So when you need to say, or bring you say, I can say, oh, where the mammy says so, where the mammy from food, where the mammy says, I'm going to go a whole man on the sea for a whole man on the matter. I say, and the fly, you need to meeting every bra. What is your ball right there? That's for the bad influence in the bar on the minute from and what to wish for. What he did the part to move so no more come with you. But the one in the home, I'm in the middle of Blaboma. They'll come and destroy you for good. They'll come and destroy you. With destiny, membership to destiny. Membership was one more time. I'm not about say, over Pano Mamma, who did you so? Who did you so? My own young, but what down for hard with it soon? What down for crying so away or down for? And yeah, they catch them. Maybe the to me, I don't find out for you. Me, I can't come and say 30 years of American minority. But my shit will be bra. It's not bra. The super with there. You swallow. About to have them in the sound of Obama or me and Juma and so in now. Because Obama who back, I told $2,000. Or come on, back $2,000. Or calling this governor. Or back in the sound, I'm a Bama night at the 7 months. And then all my widows, all 50 years, all my widows. Store material. But so, we'll be all about you, but no one me, I do it in Kaya. My sister, who couldn't say, then, no one asked for that when the Yamidi Amo, no one will feel that the Yamidi Mona, woman, the young son, or their crow shit. When we all know what to say, or soon rather than never know, I didn't know. And you have said, what on no. And it's not the other boy, I'm who never be or be some but you know. Not every day, and a trouble fear, not the double here. You may be a prayer who the prayer who live Yasinima. You may just say, didn't kind. You may just children say, you will not in the time of my not a share. Now she is a good girl. And you know, the my God time and I, at the perfect time, and my problem. So when I would say, yes, but yes, a big yow. None in the more piano. No, sir. But you know your destiny, etching a minute. You know, your destiny, etching but the national, all for so, and just the way I'm not away. Oh, yes, I'm not, but you never a robot. You know, I feel more want to choose. Not only to soon never banner, only better, or woman, it's here. But so, who to shoot super, then you know. The Bible says the wages of sin is death. wages ọbụn sị na ihe ejikwa ọma na enyam eka kyerɛ mo 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 pa so mo sɛ ne ọbụn sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔbless that soul woyɛ adwuma pa de ma no you work hard but the free gift of God is eternal life na me na free gift which is Christ Jesus we're going to do now cross some new but what are we doing with that free gift of my head free gift you need to start getting in there no and yet over Christ you need to say what do I do you want and that's you call the real cinema and you know somebody was worried over the chair continuing go to the sugar and say almost we can't stop worry we are demo we are well and she in the super rapid the very our minimum worry my so many things but cheme no one say the why so when we say on the farm o come make some say this no more no be you say no be and yam and enemy so the shenya me kamia me say me akoma so ni ade akoma so be ya me mana boro so and easy so o share free no of this and easy me say me nyam so nyasa don't want to me no want to mofa me so me so nyasa ha don't want to worry na am on me see the super and no me ko wa ya me and yam me ba chi mama ka to dey material na ka say me see down na sa I say yes and you say me that the so who say we go no what I say I go to on what say me je all on you here ne the bia that I want to pull and the goal so not to goal so about it ba kwele I could do on no in the day and you je you know the drama yes the but yes the no can you say what so no quite the better for so you but say conniving you but say manipulating you but say yes come oh yeah it didn't that as long as it didn't get a bro the migration spa I don't want it now if you see that you would do and then you might I need a country and free and stay with me if I go to be few the man for beyond that what what's your home no your dog or to be there and die and then they look to Jada phone call to be at the who got to do what to the no now so them they are let me break and show myself near as soon as I get no they come up with fast make commentary the me ya man I can never no I get no then kada men kasada wouldn't and na do them was so and na do them they amaye e was so the media am of them when you there and so na sa bwa ko nyama no ono da ma o ni mmem no da ma o some woni ko busy dia da o fie ba ko ka o di trum some woni do fie o bia ba wa o bi de no ba ko se ye ba no na fie a no ko to na ni me ni ba ko jojo abrabo but actually you do it ba no abrabo suru and ni ya no hu and ya no so o abro ti mamu na o do kunni na o su na project ko ma ti o na me abo ko de o ni amo on never young father anymore. Yes, hey, how do you do it? Because when you have to go down on your knee and cry upon your God, so wow, almost young Sama your name. You won't be yes, I'm your man, you have to be new kind, and I'm a boy, you and Yama, who see you know, but from you see, so when you're new kind, who when you mean, I mean, our problem, who said, I'm back on the middle. Never you may just be in kind. And looking at how for another bushing, you're more focused on Nkrataa because you're so young. You discuss with jam of flesh to assume. You have all my game. And we are losing our children. You're losing your ma, our breakthrough. Yes, it's true. We are young to play about our mind. It's to see it so you might not come in and you'll never be international. You're so you're what triple. Come on, you need that more fuel. Yeah, I'm not having a different from them. This is what I'm looking at before. So, over to any beer, to work hard. Over to any beer, don't you have to make so fear? You want to do a thing, what you do on the clock? Just an extra dose. But so I said, you neglect your home. No doubt to my officer, not what to remember say no ma wo ye mfra no wo mu ye no say that was life so me jan mo so dey be to aso I said me jan mo dey so dey be
What mama? Hello papa.
Yeah. Yeah. Me too.
Mama we enti also for bi so.
Oh, okay. We were a few minutes into no. Say Abrokyire about so. And if you know, you can't worry on board.
Era befra nkrataa na ne ye kana no so hyemu. Aha.
Well, said they may contribute in say Abrokyire no obas why say Johnny be a wood. Enti Johnny nso no akwantuo nso nse mebrebe. Na akwantuo bia no awutu bia no nse wa amanyame ani wanimu a na fe wo lose focus. Of course, we book of Joshua. On say nyame kache Joshua the first no kache ne say a territory giants na di oho. But what they kache ne say for sure no rade anaduni ewia. Na se na sem no a na kwa mutima no say na kwantuo was in we be postpone our success. The same thing na this the first thing I made me book already the mommy, you know. I remember some years ago, this is the first thing I could put the mommy said, Book of Joshua chapter 1. And I had dear leading me up to now. And into no by say, oh, no, Obia baby, Obia bubble chebia, I mean, Seth, when say who took quite who dream. Yes, I think I want to quite. Who dreams if I say, oh, that's you have a dream, you have a vision. So Anthony took one because in the first place, no, if we say Ghana, no, Antimi am wow, Antina will took one about Abrokyire. But according to some also, yeah, Kasaya, Musem doors, papa, because we all bar, you know, Obe worry, you know, no up Nkrataa, you know, there's so many things. Obo was so me bar. Maybe I confirm you rate and so many things. But the bottom line, I continue and say, the woman yami do on him dear, won't lose focus. But I come maybe almost lose focus in the sense, say, Omodi Yanko in check. Now, Babu say no, so when you see the Padina and that's all sure cry at the emphasis no. No, Babu so I say, see a show so I hear it because it didn't hear me now. What if I can't hear home? So you see Yanko ahini te o se de hia nyina nyame wonim de hia ye nyame ne boy ye so ho nyame ne boy ndi a na se ye de nyame esienim de a ye dream ne ye vision be come to pass but the moment ya obe di nyame be sin chense pe de a ene ye hu se because Abrokyire on charted territory unim because me I remember me kai very well say me bano you know even though na me Mama, me say me work for our Canada, our ha. But I'm in baby. But we see, Nyaminu a wodi men I so great. They say, mitimi locatino. Oh, they mention mitimi locatino. Or me buy na me share. Once I see what they say, telephone booth, telephone a day. Me share telephone one and me who need it. Oh, they mention Nyaminu a woli di no. For me, banana minimum movement, but the point I made, Chinese say, while worry more, you know, could be a bear warrior mania my basa. Me bravo mania my basa, a more loose direction in life. Now, the answer I want to say, when you lose direction in life, what are they? It is you know, for play. See, ya for playing pilot, no, and no could be and a pilot can say. We are lost. We are and you know, maybe a lose direction in life. You know, maybe, but Nyame dear ten be our second chance. Nyame your God of second chance. Either say, you know, a warrior, ama, what they basa, ama dream, and Nyame the ten be what we call what they say, Jonah. Nyame ten be my second chance. Because say the Ekano, ye betimi aka me berebebe obi a betimi ad an experience or go through obi o buy no sa wona me chen no sa obi on so obi na de naba we bre obi di no bakra no afi we do maybe na what they say friction abo montem why is this so I didn't know obi do obi aba because so obi odo baby excuse me no ye onkofo bia eno omo de omo no ba odo hu na ebenye sika ebi obi oba cause nipa no wonim na adwene but obi won so odo ba wadwen pama ba bedu maybe na fe montem kura ayabasa montem kura ayabasa. And in the fact, the point of the fact now, program and say, yeah, bonfire say no, worry about there, so be your bonny, in a bit me against Satra. In a bit me against Satra because Obo had the Kenya on the office, a guna so you. The point no, Obi a Kenya Obi go for in the Omoya, by in the only make of course, Obi and why we know, dear, we in him say, Yamen nam so. Ebe me bi enya agensachira nyame nam so maybe on life akọ atenom U10 nyame nam so am say enra or so na ya enra de ne ye kan real incident obi ka chen wo se wa ha aye nansane de en wo se what they say on kwa de ye gano but when abetom se ne ye kan bride ho asem enra nansane wo sofo wo se ono ya de na wo se say ne wife no ye bolini na niema de ma no so onkoye no enya de ketwa anti wasuma na yire so onko ni ko no onko pleadi go de that betwam kwa ba won say enti niema e kan ye reality ani me kan ade e happen na say happen yensu ekwa be ne be fa so a e betimi enya de saka because ye contribute na say ye wo bibi yo but ye feel say ye contribute na betimi aboa one or two people enwa sensachira oso ani beje. What did they mention na? Intimate say all what you were saying and say a nipa betting because Nima is see what Buchino just a air time a pollen a yanguasen so yeguya who masi yeguya who fin one day mention a book I would take now I just say a shameful shame to our country, to our culture, to our tribe, so many things. And me face said the Kenya and say, any pamo modina onya own friendly who say, O son of pa, Shesro. Kakaka, Yami was show. O son of pa, Shesro. You will be in Yami show. Men can say, there be one day, Obako John will boom contantino, as any petty me, etc. Wari wako wari wako wuremu komi bre ako wura wari mumu a din kuto mu yimu tire free mu on dem chen komi bre orumu edin so tire ba nyame de we nyame a oye ahomo bro nyame we nyame o compassion nti wo a wachiti obi wo a fenso wo adwemi so be chiti obi wo a come baby, what a wrong time, wrong people. When I go back consequence. So, until me feel said, the Kenya, bottom and say, a dozen, near mammy breed, dozen, a hank of phone, come breed, a hank of but me bompire says, already Benham's program so. Nank of maybe because so a man for testimony on more say reality a day happen pa daily happen intino yes man for ye de nyame din e pa mo chaw na obra basa ni pa babroche office aboche nya bibia o nyame ne bo abroche nyame ne bo bibia u babroche na unko nyame unko heaven so Go change be about change and I wow your life. Who about change be our life. And the modern and we are pleading Panipacho say about Chabra boy no a moon same baby and I'm control so a wonu nyame and a two kwano because okoda unkwana okoda unu being even so when you require that cross back cross who say you are thinking. nti yen think yen hu se nyame odi yen baaye no yen fe nyankopon enfe nyame enfe ni ntu nyame so but I reho ne say come be nso ti nyame fie ensim kan dia doing it omo ye odi da meche no e de nyame akata ye ni eni ye ni ma vi asefo kwa mo ye bi obi oso waso mu no so akofo obi aba na nso wo ye ni ma emfata nti mu atemu no starting free nyame fie
etiti aso dem mu so bone nko
timodin ne ti asoro fie edi kwa man ko bebre kwa no ya no de omu koso mu hwa na say we so akwazo hwe de oye omu dia meche no nti mumma atemu no starting free nyame fie mumma na eni bebre because nyame fie na wo ye niema emfata ebe na obi a wo aso no etimi obi oni aso etimi ababi enti no me fi say die ka no ebe kwaso papam mama me boa na me say mama kan mi pa
betina say na spend 4 hours 3 hours na say nso ababi a ebe ka yeso betu yon fo betu yon fo pa nti yen peke yen su maba pa it's not easy it's me honam na me ya but for the love of
mama na efreno mama na efreno
okay and papa either so obe fish na later no aba back and now say esa o ka say we chire bem enti katina later no so aba back enti na mami anita so aba mami anita me hu so was so welcome
okay mami anita I'm right
so jawuma more fire
thank you
more fire
Anita.
More fire.
And I said that Mataku na biti ni yokoso.
I was waiting for you.
Madam Wase, it's for Madam Wase so. Madam Wase, hey, Auntie, now welcome. Abrokyire Nkrataa.
Boy.
Enye easy. Enyo me koso bebre. Ma bia ka bebre, papa nso abeka bebre. Na me nso me kwa koteki no Nkrataa na afim.
If I can one share.
Nyame ya adom na nra ya bobo obi so akama. Ena ode part 2 no nso asanso de amaye nde ye ba bekeka ho asemi. Ye beka ne pempen sa de onyankopon be direct yen se ye nko ni bia.
More fire.
Amaye ntumi enya sa.
More fire.
Amaye ntumi ye beka. Yo so oni obi te mite say your brother bi na oka say wakwa kofa obi free Ghana about senso Germany. Ena obi akofa ne yere di na ba obema ni nim ho hwe something if I'm right say obema ni to US ena no oba ni to Germany na wafa obema ni chi awo bosumi nsia eba obema ni nim ho hwe we wankasa wo de wonsa akwatiti musio mempese me charge enwumre we but sasem we kra ponti e pushi me brasa tu bubu weni o de wonsa akwatiti no me kese eya dia na ma okobie wo ho de ma obi so mfa nyom mbegu mu na akola enkom bem one obema ware na nkasa no so wa ware na nkasa dia ye nyina ye ni but then ye si wukunu obema ni nim so wo ba e wo baabi bosumi nsia enti hwe nnome na wo de wonsa akwatiti na enu ni o bra na weni na wo ho so na obema na aba na straight waba uhwie na wabeto akola wo ho sister just imagine adia ebesi one obema ni nyame ampata na wa kukudro betumi ejina etie story behind akola na odadam ho ni nyina 2 wo ba no hu na ayemuhyehye ene boninti wobetumi etwa ahwe utwahwe a wo mbebio eye possibility 3 de wo mu ni obema no betumi akase enne ogina ho na oni wejai wehu no me a wakotete abre ho and ekoba ne sa no senyame a mmemu a obema obeba ho na beye den so betumi ne na atena so okunu because na don sa akotete no me na ebeka ebeye kotwa a ebeda o list so within so unama you be pointed at. Fingers will be pointing at you. Mami, we all might not know the full story, but dear ben nebe push you into ukunu ni one chain. And I went to me and control will bleedo. Enti, I was so poor be money baba shawunyim. Emma wo ma ukunu ti baby 6 months. Good. Meba ya fa Nkrataa kwan so. Aware Nkrataa kwan so ya de ya Nkrataa yi. Enra me kan bia na mesanso akebi. Enye ye nyinara ene Nyankopon ye ya do me enye nipa papafo. Ene ye Nkrataa yi. Eno ntie ebusuafo obeme obai. Mo nyinara se basa mo ba be ye Nkrataa na mo asimesi a mo nyinara mo bia mo ani na mo fa akoma pemu entina se na mo nka asem no maame papa wo so enam wo so mankrofo Nkrataa udi yedi wudin ebeto so se yedi ko efie kese mu na mo akwakoye Nkrataa ne de amanipa akro no ma weni nda ho mema wo ho kwan ma honhom fi biara mba betina wo mu na nkasa wo ye Nkrataa na mankrofo na wie no obefa kweti kwan so na se obema no ena ane ne ye ya wechinchim oba ne nsa no age obema na efri oba ne nsem na se oba no na ane ne ye ya wechinchim ni kunu nsa no age na efri ni kunu ne nsem because eno me na da ho bebre ayesa anyoma we ende omo antena si endi del omo di adwenbone na kwa ese mekoye Nkrataa na mesi omo wie no Nyankopon se wo ye a stupid man meje wo kra free wonsem e na waje because no di adwenbone aka ho so wie a obewia papa na yere no e di na baba ye ne dia obi nso wo hwa a ye na adwo ba no nso aye na adwen so oni papa ne ye wie a obewia maame ne kunu no no di na baba ye ne dia ye ntina ma ho kwan ma wo honhom betina omusa wo ukra Nkrataa a obi abasa opemmu efri wonchen die ntina ma ho kwan ma eni bre honhom bone tantan a enye fe na ebo nko no ebetina omusa na odidi nkrofo onya ede ntia because of Nkrataa so wa ha na okrasa adwen ni bia 6 feet 6 feet ye baba begina ho ne yesie o but adaka no mu no na onim ni a wa ye nti a wokọ mama ho kwan sa o mama ho kwan sa ewiase na ye wo mu ne ye te semframa ye te se flowers we can be plucked away anytime and it wona mu wiase mu no na we make sure say nyoma na wo ye no wo ye papa so de be ya dachi bi Onyankopon to ne nsa frɛ wa odi ani gie so na ebekɔ because onim sɛ wa ya nyoma papa wa asase so na mfa kweti kwan so na mbeti na obi man so na because so Onyankopon na ayɛ wadom ma wenya Nkrataa no wobedi nkrɔfo mba bi abro enyo enye emfa wo nkɔ baabia na momedi ɔsɛyɛ na ɛbɛba wa brabom wonnam na ɔsɛyɛ di w'anim baby anka wasa wo kwa wonya akoma pa nkrofo nya ni gie na mo de je ofel so no because awa ma ho kwan ma oseye di w'anim nti anka so nkodro no mo emu na no mo di hia you may ask say deba ade enko a ba ade kitwa bi a wo de won sa akoteteye e na di w'anim kan endi w'anim nko edi w'echi nso itube o se baby abekọ bi abekọ koye te se disaster na esisi wo ho sa enyoma we contribute to say nneɛma na wo go through no adeɛ nti na won fa ɔdɔ anka so ɛyɛ me nua na aba on free maame baako kra na onye mogya baako kra na ɛyɛ me nua me ni free kro baako so na wo adeɛ me nya free me kume mu na me mfa ma no otua me afa we ntua atambuo ni asotwe no onyankopɔn de bɛma no na mmom wo de enibre na wo sɛ wankasa wo ho enibre nti sika ye beto ye when hwan Elizabeth fo no mo ne monarchies ne mo ne nasefo kyese wiase mo sikafo ni na kro mo wugya sika pempem no mo ahyehya da so no e wo mu fi o mo wugya ho yesi o mo yemfa sika ne nka ho de ben competition na ne unyanko Ghana ni wo ana wo ne wo fiefo wo Ghana nti a wo chinchim nkrofo ma ensa eji Nkrataa sika na wo wia waka kire mo se ko ochina bra de ben competition na wakwa show off wo Ghana na nkrofo hu se ye wo betina Abrokyire no wanya sika ka ne tete Abrokyire na enya nde de na ewo mu no ka ne tete no no munya sika na nyuma no ebuso na ye much easier na other countries for no emba gugu baby crash sika wo kro no so no ye no mo ma begu ho ye and then ntisa o e kro ba ko bo behu all the countries e wa that kro no mu because baby ayeden ano ti wo ye ade a ma me ma wo nyansa no nyankopon de ama let it be alive and active. Na wan kwanko ti obi banan so bone again enye ye nyinara ne ye nipa papa ebi ya honhom bone pa e no moti nipedua no mu nti wo kotia ne so na wantia ne yi a wa bra bona bewie ye wo be sha ase se wo pro baby crowd online na kotia nipa kro ne so no e honom na be sha ase se e profi ehase fru nan ase na bedru nkotodwe na bedru o hips nkakrakra na aba we fruma ubehu ana ekọ kidney efru kidney ana eba o heart eho no kra na ye last stop no efru ho ana sanioma we na chese ubehu hu no na okra na efru ni pedua no mu na nenam bebi ani kwansa nka ekọ simply because wakodi obi bewu wakobọbuo kese meka se wo geno na wo sre weni mu fifire pa wenye sika woof ubedi na woof ubedi so ubewu nso a woof aden eyedien Abrokyire eyede be nko a ne yepe yes omo be kan sa story ne try yen say yeti Abrokyire sika wo ho but ya baby ya ba be hu sane yete mami it is just not easy papa it's not so easy so be sorry ahomache na otru mi kedi bus echi akoye ejuma it is never easy o enu ti sa oni obi akwa pam oni obi aye nhyehyeye se me pese me bo na omye onioma de mawa odo ekwan so because we ye didi wa enya wodo mo amoma mutumu ye dindindin bebrebe ya mo bo apo akesie mo ye de sadie ni bidi mu a erenya mudo erenya mode so die ntina ode ye onua eye den na nti nipa na krefri ni fie ni krom se obo obi man so aba bebo bra na wo ni brenti nipa no 2 years 3 years sika no na de maw na yire ne me na busuafo e wo Ghana it is all about your selfish interest and you will die selfishly. And people might not even be there to help you in the ambulance when you are being carried away to the hospital. People might not be there. Jeremiah chapter 4 verse 22 na bisa so mu no mu di wechi no ma brabo na te sen No more can do it. Collect that sika no. Now say ya ode. Yes, we kentinka. Now oje. Papa there we be free ambulance their mama me. A man so cry dia na yakun, the most dangerous and deadliest I have ever come across. A man bi. Na mo feel say me kan me man nkwa de na me jai mo. Ye nyinara. Oba besia timi ma na ni brisika to the steps so wu na sabi wu so oye wowo. Obetumi aye bibia just to destroy you right away because of sika. So when we say woman we ni brisika bebrebe nti bibia ni ho so we ni. Sika o. Sika nti wedwuma betumi abo. Sika nti e betumi ama o bad name for the rest of your life and you will be obe pese obe odi wo hu be sia wo mpe man krofo krapo be hu. Sika nti eya debe ya na simesi kra ne maame ne papa free Ghana ba Abrokyire so ba beto ya nton momo ne kra ye to Kobi Abrokyire ya to inti debe ntia na simesi dia na ode ba ye no ya mpese ye beto ne be ma na asomodue na odi sika be kofia kobua na ebusuafo simply because what da ne wo ho tai ho bedi woman obeton Nkrataa abode nso na nipa ne de ne nkwa na nyinara etua sika ne de ama won nkwa asedi edien momi anto ye bo asio ya pejapade hwe bebre ti Abrokyire memu a oma ye nyuma ekosisi dai ebi so fa kweti kwan so titire nkrofo mansa e de akosisi luxurious homes e wo ye krom oma antumi andemu just a day o. Eba ne say na we kosisa luxurious home no wo Ghana na want to mean them so ni madwen bone na etayechiri so ni mkwan ya fa so odi nya ase sika ne de koye se adwuma no when we say wi echire no dan no de eni gie na onya ya odi sie won sa SethEkow so we hu obeka se busuani bi de wa fa eduro so da bi o onyankopon oye ni nkumuni. He is a fair judge, he is a fair God. So nim so fa kweti kwan so na odi sisi obi na agi sika na adi akosi sa dan no wo krom sa wo nkwan wo ba betinemu agiweni a owo kwan obefa so obeye masa a particular dan no ne eni gie ni ahonkeka na wunyae no ebetie free weni so na afi upo bi amanato na obi asumpo nto because no me onyankopon de no me ato so de amount ohu na beye wadehia ubewu uwu nso a yemfa wonkoto sa dan no mu nka se last respect na be ya ade bi esi obewu na dan ni si ho na efu enru efu na sebe pythons ne na sefu anyinara no mu anyingu eno na ope what dey we ase aba dia wo kire ane so obeti the word money and abeti cash the kind of gums are omuchu and the styles omudi chew gums no because obisi care ba uboto now the ochumu ya dia to the stand say nipa no uniti madema no sika ni begu account mu a na wudi now the twa plane ticket akakraka now they call baby a upebia because en free ubotom uwie na obayare da ho no na wo expect say asimesi na odi ni sika no ono ansa so mra meboa menya abro bebre sa o menya abro bebre sa because ebimu mehu ebimu a abro nti yeseda ho no DDT momu wu instantly menya abro sa o sika o we should like it but we should not love it. Mema we ni nri sika men no sika dodo enti obekwa kodi bone money ya the turn yoma we exchange to get things but enoso kra no is the root of all evil. Once ma we ni bri sika bebre ni nti wa bra bone kra wo hu so Ofa kweti kwan ebo wo nua kon etigi ni sika won se wontimi nko w'anim Uhu sa onie kroya nyame aya adom na ne nneoma ba ne nyame pagya na afi wada ne obosoma ketre na afi mfamban ho na okwa akɔhwɛ sɛ de na ɛkɔso onua wonua kro ne fie wanda ne obosoma ketre na afi wasoma wo deben spy your friend say ahohu mu sojafo no mo nkɔ spy emfa ma sɛ de na ɛkɔso wɔ ne fie da obesumo bi obi be call di nani ba ko be ba be kire no sada na eba dian ne de ba Abrokyire ye to ya yanto abaya ma wodan edemu papa osi meni nje meni bri obi de enti wonam na wa ye ho obosoma kefre na okoba wo jeko na okoba obe fam dan ne ho wada ne ho aboa no cry friend say Ekrom ha krom friends and spider.
I anansi.
Ni pikra. Anansi. Na wa ye ntentan. Eno ane se woto wo ho sin e nipa ne dem four corners of nipa ne dem nyina. Woni mu ho eno ofam ha wo so fam nanim. E de ba asema. Mema wenim risika enya obia na woni ne ko competition. Wo free wo krom se wo ba Abrokyire no. Na wo purpose. Ebeyanka, hold on to your purpose. Share spirit of frustration, no, ewa Abrokyire. And etina nipa mu na de ye nneoma. The fact is that we lucy wuti a oba ma ho kwa ma spirit of frustration, no, etumi nya womanti, wantumi anya won Nkrataa so obekọ w'anim no. Eno nkyerɛ sɛ foforo na waba mu no, obetwe no de na ben won nkyɛn. Na what is that same spirit no the amano no so na brabo no we hu so ebe wie no aye okorensani no ne namabonten what say na brabo what say what the asay ne there because one ma ho kwan mo bronsa ma betina omu ana wodi nyoma boni echi the single party na odrimika na okọ bramianko club na Abrokyire krokro now so there is no place I friend a club awunimu ho simply because you've lost your head and until you expect to say the next generation that will be coming into that particular country you are going to profonemba o decide esuno ebe shia omo no mo say yeah oni oga na wa say omo abrabo dia mo ebusuafo e mo amobekọ obi manso e mo amo prepare say mo bekọ e mo nkra mo visions no mu yie mamo nkọ ma asimesi nka nkyerɛ wo say and the glance na eboso wo krodua we ase and the ahasa na eboso nti yenkọ na odi n'echi na wo kọ wo yesa wo say wa brabo wo say wo purpose na odi ko wura sa krodua no nti wo be hu say 5 years time na wontimi achieve hwe 10 years time na baby ausia na 15 years be boma then you have to forget about it 15 years be boma there is nothing you can do again except onyankopon bebem because you've wasted all those years are years you could use to achieve something what the young fan says someone Nkrataa within that time when san kan ya at least we benyo obi nhuma na odi aye adwuma nti say 2 hours 3 hours na so ma we ni bra obetumi asiesie bibi kakran ne ka hwe say 15 years no to me nya bibi papa bi emfema ya nka se chinchina chikosi dan baby but obetumi anya sika bi ebo emu odru na so account wo Ghana obetumi ehun kwan a obefa so adi sika no bekọ akoto wo Ghana account no mu no china bi yena yenim ochina asemu nkrofo we a and that no almost samra ochina almost samre de bi almost samre yenim ochina bi omokosi samra nyame ntiarimbe but ochina bi na bibi ba at least see ya ma once sa usika wo ufia we sevia Ghana de no we need that so to see a ball koto ho kra na obetumi aye comfortable obetumi aye bold enough to walk into that bank and collect that money and start using it for something tangible in your life. I won't come in a misery. I won't come beg it. Will faithful with your moho. Won't come sre. Ma we need that hole. Ma we need that hole. Now one saw over free Ghana the Abrokyire. Mammy, car pay. A crobia so awo. Abrokyire baby most at times no enye education na ye kra certificate na ye kra o Ghana no eno ne de be ye adwuma wa Abrokyire most at times eno nti may encourage you say ensan we adwuma bia ebeba wa akwa mu biara no make good use of that one. So be person.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
I say, can you let someone else talk?
Okay. We patron na so betumi afre. Aha, di e ma me ne kasa. O frɛ de e be pick na won so do di aba. Why? It's my Anita kasa.
Yeah, so Mr. Baby Biara mo, irrespective of the country you are, talent no
You can call. Auntie, ma ba to aso. Oso no nim so obi kasa.
Or the talent ahihye ye nyinara ye mu. Matthew chapter 25, I think from 14 onwards no. Or say, ma ebi mu enum, ma ebi mu nnan, ma ebi mu miensa, ma ebi mu mienu, ma ebi mu baako. Mu kra enum, miensa ne nnan ne mienu no, bo de ne ho. Aha se kasa kire yen. Baby biara Onyankopɔn de adua ye mu ne betumi abɔ ho. Ebia na particularly baby kra wono na wo hu so mfa so a ɔkyi na bi wontina fa akoda bi Onyankopɔn betumi ama wo so de wakokro foforo so ɛho be hu sa ade no ɛho beba mfa so de ama. We should make good use of every opportunity that comes our way. Let's utilize it in a good way and not in discotheque. So when you we are see bebrea, mommy, we are see baby ofara. Ubehu safi wabrabo na ekonenim na nso wo ntumi nko wani. Because you can't catch up. Abrokyire ne ati, de biara da enyoma sesa. As a when you're ready to obey, how can you move on or how can you catch up with the system? Run, make good use of every opportunity. Memo bimba mbe country was say, Nkrataa enti. Obeju sika no wia, we wia wo aka ho. And then may behave pa me pesa mebo word no.
No, I don't want that aka ho no.
I love you. I love you, girl.
Thank you, Mobi. Mobi and Ada was saying Nkrataa enti. Obe Jessica no, or Jessica ni wia, obesan so wia. Mama me ehọ no nipa no ebu nkwase amprenu. Anu nti nipa na eba wa kwam so person ne wo ye Nkrataa no. Bisa ni mu ye.
Terms and conditions ni na bisa no.
Ansa na wo de wo ho akwa Se wo kunu a let nipa kro ni hunu, ma wo kunu ni so hu. Se wo do wo yiri a ma wo yiri hu. Ma nipa kro ni so yiri ehu. Na fi ya nneoma ni nyinara ma mo awie no. Na se mu mienu ye hu se mo gina kwantwea elbobo a. Ni aso ya sha se ye fa mo ho adwen. Mama bibia enye plain open to yourselves so that ankofa enmity bia emba ankofa strife emfa mba montem. Strife is one dangerous thing that destroys a family. Mema enam nkrataa ni so nti eni gye ni asomdue no Nyankopɔn de ama wo ewo wo fie ni wa wareɛ mu no. And say because there is nothing important worth it than to have good and a peaceful home. The ufie ni asomdue wo ni pedua no wo ni asomdue. Obekọ adwuma mu no akọ akọsere. Opon adwuma hefa na abekọ akọda. Efie hwa na abekọ akọda. Enya bonten na abekọ akọda. Ti bomodin to do away with strife. Let your yes be your yes. Let your no be your no, so that your other party would know, say, oh, asimesi metene so a na ma sorry. Me nkofa kweti kwan so na nka se ewo mo ano mo nka obi bie enim na mo mienu na mo fe chire enkonkoye bibi because onyankopon mo kwakoye bibi obi onyankopon betumi ama mu ba ko be fa nyinsten. Then eho no na obepe so obefo se oni ukunu ebehia. Na ade akosha ukunu ni akoka DNA asam a no wa throw divorce letter di ama ukunu
ya no mfui amfo no
Nkrataa na ebe ya ama but remember when in year to the extent that you lose your senses and start going from head to toe with nipa na oba be boa mo nkrataa. For all you know, that person is a distraction in your home. And that person has been sent purposely to come and create problems in your home. Because when it's a particular thing, no, and a wuni, it's your baba in a disguised form. Or the man we are no way we are. And not to the memani be breaker, and a mirisha says so young Nkrataa ni subaya sasa. In your man and can no, say onye bi me kaba kwa no aka mienu. Ano so ti na mani bebre so ka se me kunu nya Nkrataa na wasesa. Se na adwe nyina akodi ni a oye Nkrataa ne ma no ne so. Ma mi akoye Nkrataa ma asimesi kunu. O ka tra asimesi se obeji ni kunu efuni nse mo ye Nkrataa ne wia. Wanka. Hwe aware onyankopon ne boy aware no word marriage emu ye dru. Ekura tumi, ekura nimonyam bi na obronsam so fekweti kwan so edi wia edi safie titru ne ya ba Abrokyire ye Nkrataa ware ne ade obema ni nimpa so on fesika on fa ensa enkohu wo papa wo maame ana webusuani biayo but because say ye Nkrataa ware na wo di twitwa wo ho no ono agye hu sika
obi frɛ
me pa cho say obi frɛ
Mami Anita
okay papa
nipa na so frɛ ne de sa
oh okay
oh thank you Hello mami
Yeah, where me chamo.
ya jo so pa kwa banso
Yeah, jana mo ya de.
pa che so adu na so
Where me oba fun kakra to mo fa ncheme.
no problem
Enti moti de da na me oba so.
no problem
Ai me ba cho me wo so yin na me pesa me kakra.
okay
But na mfofo sem no. Ya na ye tukwan ya ntwe ya ho mfiri na mfo. Ya ntwe ya ho pa fa mfiri na mfo na. Eba aha enche na me ba ko ba se na me se metina ase. Na eniama bebre na mafemu a meka se meka ye nwie program. Tinamfo titiru ma na mfofa. Odi de no ho baba ba twere dendende. Bala so nyame amoa eniama wo be femu no eden pa tie treni anomoma omuntwe omo hu fe na mfofo nchen tanyankopon fa ye wadamfo fa mpai bo fa obi bia ye wadamfo tana me de me emfa nipa nya wadamfo yesi nyankopon nam nipa so bo nipa na emom no bompai ne sere nyame so obemo wadamfo a omo wadamfo nyame soro woni mu na fa na damfo na emom ko ebe ya so woni ukuru na ti a ono oyira ma yire nya wadamfo ma ukuru nya wadamfo mesre me nuam na mea me ba na nse ya ne ma fa mani so wona mfo mu no enye nyame anka mente ase nti kakra no so metimi aka no na afa so de meka no se ye nuam ma omo krom a omo awale fo yesre wo mu omo hwe mema ni na wuti bi nsama ya emani di mema ni emani di mema ni titiri America ano day mema no ko fa ne ba no afa na damfo no agya no twa support the amano na mema ya dane akɔrensa for ukwa Africa market ya ano day obi nim se ne ba wa America bobra na so ne ba dane kɔrensa ne na mo ba nti yesre ne amoma mema no mo ye nipa me yo ba na make me nware but ya uti bi story ya ye ni amom Ghana former ni show mema no America kromo ya asem kete oba ne be huri la show na be ma na homeless oda botis no awia mi a me ne ehunu bi bebre areho mitime hu bi na mesu tie ne amoma no yesre wo mo Ghana former yesre wo mo obi ba sisi a na obi ato asema gunaso be ma kofa ne ba no akofa damfo no akeka nsem bebre e kira na one ne kro ne tokwasem ye pamo mema wo mu kum wo mu aduro sem ne ma ano ode ti esre ni ano ma be ma ne be fa wo ba ayi wodo enti na ode be fa na so be gina nyankopɔ ani se me no na me pa America akonti be kwa na makoja na wo ne onyankopɔ be di o wo mi nsoro nyame kakra ne nipa na aba na me ameka wo yi nsoro nyankopɔ te mo mi nsoro nyame kakra yesi se wo soro nyame a wo nya wo nua bɔ na da Umi ensro nyame yesra mo a umi ensro nyame ne hu se mema no omu yi obi ba omu yi obi nua mema mo se ya wo so wo nua ba ma obi ye ni bia ba ya oya umi enhwe ne yesra mo a ye nua no mo ba e we de ano den wa America kromo ya ti me fa cho kakra so me ka no ano den insha mo so ano den yesra mo a medasi
bye bye
Papa.
Okay, we'll be super so basso. Okay,
Umbra.
Okay. Some more. About your wow, test him so so cow story no. Me throw away. So yenti. Why the ento so back my friend back.
Yeah, mami o share a story. Yada say wa confirm in America e dey actually nti we akoya adesua de kese e dey ama ye nyinara. Na me kan about ma ye nkrataa ma ye nsuban sesa e na mema nso ye nkrataa ma omo nso a omo nso omo nsuban sesa e na maami bi bia besoso so eno nti me kan kosi se hwe e just nkrataa me de mpacho nipa na aba we ho
mpacho mba oba me ka chiro.
Okay just nkrataa me de just na so because ye mfa nko heaven asasi so he ya ene de pray etwitwa ye ho ma nkrataa ense wo na ya kan ni akeka ko enamfo ha and then my verse bi na me sua and then my brain me anya Bible studies na maba ha se ambe ye didi ba me sua verse bi
Mikana.
I say in Proverbs, I say, if I just say, yes, in Proverbs chapter 18, verse 24, I say there is a friend that sticks closer than a brother. Annie. There is a friend that sticks closer than a brother. And this friend, the only friend who sticks closer than a brother, ebetumi Jesus Christ. We took crying by Abrokyire. Me say, they na play no ebesha asiese A2 no. Saa day no na mronsanfo na omo okro na wokọ so no omo so omo besha asiese omo beboaboa omo ho ano na omo de atwen. Ebi ba in the form of a namfo. Ebi ba in the form of sebio nyame mfa me asofo bi. Mfa me bone ncheme. Asofo no omo so omo nye papa no munim. Yensro omo. Ebi ba in the form of insofo maame. Na we to abe batare obare. Wo wa na kran white. Onima de kro ba be hwehwe wo ho. In we to abata osano. Mami, they know, say, but tired be crowd. And now what they buy. They know, say, our rena, our worry no nyanko pon in sa womb. Omo buy no man ba me show mo die su yi. Inti a free omonsa. And no chomo nam no, they are wounded souls. And omo nam no.
Say it again. Say it, my sister, and say it again.
Maybe. They are wounded souls, so it's your banner by pretending. Say, hey, or no pen or your papa or her mom start running. Because and you no pen or your papa or her. Start it. Papa. They said they are born on your mask, get set, pay, no dream, you cannot start it. Ebe to me, I prune that person. The book of John, chapter 15, verse 2, talks about pruning. Prune that person. Before answer no beba ufie no abe or John 10:10, the thief comes to steal, to kill, and to destroy. Onyankopon bebe no bronsam no maame krono papa krono a wa fam wo no ebubu ufie se kojo to e asam kitwe bi onim se wasum ya wo de dodo ti no no de beba no de benyaw e ma ye kofa mu free Ghana. Just in case say emema ni ntimi nya akukunro enka no kure wo mu nkyere mo ya and yes wo Ghana na wuti a me patro news flash hello. It's so simple. And you're better now, Abrokyire pe na obenya Nkrataa. Ebi fa aware kwan so. Aware kwan ebi die no. Enye odo no mode ye. Ebi nso die no tumi ko wi aware papa. Oye Nkrataa na di amount. Enti obema na ba na oba be ka trust asimesi. You are so beautiful. I like your back shape. Nemne na asefo no. Your foot, your leg, blah blah blah. All more tantalizing words no. Mami mema west ni ndokodoko nko wasu mienu ni nyinemu ensisi no ma ba ko na ho na fa ba ko tie na ye won fifi mu yie ansa na wo de wadwen be ma na wo de wadwen ama no na enye se wo pa Abrokyire benti wo be capitalize on in nefe sama ye ka kire wo na wo beduru ha na se enoma ne ba ko e ba ofie be ka kire asimesi wo oni obi aye Nkrataa ware fa henkosi omo form omo nsi omo na omo form ho ne ade na wo so akwa kotutu wenyam emmeben no aka so obedi obi ba beni and obi ba be meni hwe utwasa no you might not know so wechi eye logoligi ebetumi aye logoligi ebe dani aboa wo kakraka na ebe ba be ka wankasa wo kwan so afe yenso a ye wo Ghana ya ware a yenkununum yenyirenom no yantimi hu omo mfie mebre no maame Nkrataa sam ka ho 2 obi wo ho a oni obi yem paper Nkrataa de e wa ha sei na omo ye wie na kwa akoba se ba ko de ne ho aka ba ko eba ne sa e de efi e de separation kakraka e na ba betu montem the spirit of confusion eba be she ba ko ntem nti wo te Ghana na wa frɛ nipa kro na oni ni di nkomo no na ntokwa is every blessed day bi amo be frɛ mo ho bia ntokwa papa ma mi what Ghana na say wo was a situation where bi mu a do not sleep enka so be ma ni di sika na beba na wedi do not sleep then enka so ba ni di sika na beba na wedi because battle spiritual battle ankasa spiritual battle ankasa wo bompa ye no na wo bobi mo be ma no de be ya Nkrataa ware no enkoje obema ni mfiri wo nsem kra because I know de oye de atwitwa ne ho no de abebobra no de ababeboa ma me won so saa nkofo bebre aware agija because of Nkrataa aware timika na nya mini udin na da Nkrataa ne so eno nti mini udin na da Nkrataa ne so yen konkotena dan ba kun because ya ware onua wo yesa de wo so wonnim pefe wo wakomemu se asimesi na one ne te ho no waka ne nsam nyinara akyerew wo se menteye memfa ho oba akro wo Ghana memfa ho obema akro wo Ghana and them a comport me ho mempese meka sa word no e wo se me di wie memfa ho nipa akro ye medi nani na de kweti kwans na we wia nipa na fru the rightful owners. Mama yeninda ho and I mean person make asa baby because me ra ho Nkrataa asem yem Mama yeninda ho nkrofo bebre na mo so di bone nkrofo bebre na mo so e de eniya e ma nkrofo ani etu egugu o mo nsem o senso aka o mo nsem because of Abrokyire Nkrataa na fi me kono na me ko wa nyame aye wadom ama wenye bi ade ye adwuma me pa cho so mu ye free akoma pemu na fa Nkrataa ni ye adwuma yes say as you do it unto others you doing it unto me onyankopon asam na eka nyame na meka usomu na usomu ye a epono kese bi bebie wo baabi di amount you know at the credit pono kese bie ne bai e no kwari a wodi won Nkrataa asem no mu ninti ba woji na ya wadwen say yes ababedi wo nche una wo control ya dia to address so you can do whatever you please with it. You will not see it and 10 years time one kasa we tutu amona kese na obekwa kotom one na ode onsa tutu samana no enu nti obi ade wo won nche no so mu ye so mu wesakoma pa fire de pa memfa nkonkoji loans emfa eka enkonkotu nipa akro ne so yes diamond virtues that's what I mean hold it firmly use it very well do not do unnecessary things with the document with Nkrataa me pa mo chomo fanche me so mu ye nipa kro no ebetumi aba se oso wahwe enti no de sa nyema ni nyinara aba be hye wonsa no de aba be se fafa wankasa bebi kra wote se de be ya wo ho renkyereo ye nyina ye nim se de Abrokyire akwenti onete ansa na obenya Nkrataa ye nim se ne ete wo so kokko bie bank account with Chester it is a whole lot but nipa na jiwedi ano de amount eno se fafa wankasa wa address so said e be ya bosum wo ye adwuma we ni etua wo ka enya afi na obefa phone no afra no auntie oh daddy please me pa cho ye tua me kana me bisa se nka obetumi eyi amamia nipa ne mpesa de no de amount enti no de doc Nkrataa no e de ahye won sa no enti so mu wetakoma pa ma weni nje say yes adia ne nko apodi ama nipa ne de hye won sa no maame you might not know ebia nipa ne nkan ne worth emfa nkyere wo ye opo bi na wa interested in wealth e de ahye ne nsa and how would this person get to know so ye nipa papa na so ye nipa bone e yes adia we ya no de be so wahwe enti se wantumi anso ketwa no mu anhwe yi anso mu yi a yes no just get to know say ebebo me fa nkonko je besia emfa nkonko magana fo wa ye yie ana eya said your mokano service bi bebenye kwasie bi ade na mede ye adwuma na odi bibia ahye mensa enda yesi no kwaredie asa yesi nipa dodo a yeji omudi no so eye kitua bi maame be different ma yenyi wundi said the be yo chine bi obi betumi akohye tokro bi mu no abowudi afri tokro no mu na amansan nyinara ate amansan nyinara te a eye nimonyam kese ede maw ebiebie pona kese ede maw ema wakwantuo na wotu no eye tote na mom se yehya ase ye bodi mboni ebe yo nwanwa se ukopa adwuma kra edimboni na ya boni it goes a long way to baby kra ukopa adwuma no unye adwuma no. And this is how God's favor works. So di no kwere wa de ketwa ni mu a upe adwuma enka so wonkonko dru ho no no nyankopon favor na kwakoye de e wo se ye nyinara wo nti ubekọ interview ni e beka cho say oh tell us about yourself. Okay me I said that's it. Go and see administrator and tell the administrator your start date. That's it. That is favor. Obi ade be di wonchen asomu yi. Bonso a mofa kweti kwan so Nkrataa semunti nipa pe bebi di ni ti atoa onye nti oba be di wonchen wo mu fie na modi omu ani no monso monhwe ni ye ebetumi abase nipa no oyen sohwe de mawo.
Really.
Bible no baby or see and the people did good and they welcomed angels. When you nara yan sohwe yama ye ninda ho Nkrataa nti ukoma unua ba unua wankasa unua webusuani akwakoda kitchen man twie bi kitwe bi mu because of Nkrataa nti na Nkrataa ni nti no papa maami nipa kono onye nipa ana moja na egu ni mu na ye kwakwa de bi moja ana ana ye pete moja omo kra so kra po moja na ye kokko ana ebia na ebi ye green na mimi hu ye
Ebi.
Mummy so ni pemu yi o no obi wo hono ma no de wonshira bro but inshira no will come in a disguised way. Ebetumi ana Nkrataa so kwan pretty nipa no wakɔhye bebi abompa Yesu saa onyankopɔn se ansa na mede ade ne bema no meso wahwe kitwa bi na mahwe se mede ma wuwi a obetumi edi no kra ma me a no de nso hwe kitwa na de abro na we faili then ade kro no bebo ho mpa 20 years na na mbae
Emai.
monso a Nkrataa nti mo afa ho re nkrofo maame no mo no
Areho.
Nkrataa nti mo afa ho re nkrofo maame no mo nyansa kwan so na mo wi amakotina baby no mo aka oh wait me yusu no
Hey,
oh wait
unfair.
siakai ai asa honhom ne ti omumu omo kaso mo mfere hwe eya na yo mo so mo ye champion. Oh wait, my yen say kai say ni say ni.
And a den.
And a year den, and a year den.
Imguasie.
And a year den, and a year den. Mo mama ni na ho. Na ya na to de bia ya na ye me nwanwa. Nipa mu no me ya me nwanwa but the book of Job chapter 9 or so mama ti ase 7. Enye panyimfo ekura adwene nyinara eno mo enyi. Ano mo wonyansa. And it's all person belonging to the book of Job chapter 9 for now. Then also behave, sir. One person belonging to that group now, then behave like an adult who chews bones. And also our Bible, no. I think in the book of Galatians also.
Hebrews suka.
Hebrews also I can.
More can a bones for no.
yenyi me and behave to say nkola mama masike ndi yenima to the extent ye be disike kira ne ye bone kra na ye nhuye obehu na utu ankasa obon na we ye wadwen se utu obi bon ama na okata so ba utu ankasa obon in some na bible ne kan ye no ebi welcome me after abofo ni ade it is still happening today. Enti ama ye ni da me ama sike ndi ye ni mu kukukukuku me ama nkrataa ndi ye ni mu kukuku ensisi ya adwen ya so ya senses five senses no nyankopon dia mind to smell to feel to touch and debe no me ama ni nsisi nkrataa semunti ebi antena se am for failure omo age omo years nyankopon de mo omo wasasi so Nkrataa semunti ebi tumi ye bold etwa akotifo yi ma omo schoolfo yi ma omo ami ede omo akwa wie fie na nti wo ya sa otwa akoti o se schoolfo yi de ma nkrofo ya befa asimesi de ni kofie wasuma ajo ede be mbe yi tantan yenye fe no mesi ende me ko port me ho pa me pesa me kasta bebre Again, be time no. One the spirit of jealousy a shower to the stairs. Say, what the idea be a baba wa kwemubia? You have to destroy it. Oh yeah, day. Now we din asesa. Ni aka hey, we a champion. Now we ni aje. When him so kwesa bone. Ewo we chi wo hu. Now when him say wo ya no woma. Ebe call mo so. What they will say within now what the innocent souls now the omaba assassins no what the omaba be sim pataye e wo boni awaye ho so wa hu sika ebetumi di wako bebi ani kwan sa wokọ and now okra working permit and so what. Now when him say we free Ghana, but no beba benya on a silver platter. You didn't know. So why don't you humble yourself? So I said you nyankopon do what I from a humble beginning, no, or do be you on a beautiful scale. Mama sike di we ni mu nti what senses ni nyinara kra waton. Sike nti wontimi nka no kre. Sikenti wankasa ohu usunsum wo ahwehwemu na wudwane because you've been lying to yourself. When you see your shadow, you don't believe that is you. Aden. Dia. Mo maye masika just me ra ho me hu nya make up of you. Obi wo ho person di bibi ba.
Not yet. Me comment section ho. My Miguel because money is evil. Mr. Akisi, as others report their friends to the police or immigration to deport them. And no say I Mr. Akisi. If you're messy, I say Bruce, sorry. I say, oh mommy, it happened to me here. I don't believe Ghanaians again. Oh, okay. Kofi, okay. Me patron yami I don't mefro. My saving number no. Let me see. Min saving number nyame adoma mefro think say see me party what to my first man why na man that's no bet to my fair and plus 380 no sir Mr. Adam I see, thank you for the clarification please mama. I don't understand the last statement. Do you mean to get others document? Okay. Oh, but mama, you have talked. Okay. Esther Jacqueline, good evening. Welcome. Mr. Christiana, down as a Belgian spider. Mr. Rastel. Okay. Mr. Steven, so I got the chop palm. We say Diabolo. Hey, I'm movie when so. Obi say snow and hot summer. My man, it was messed up marriages because of documents. God will punish you one after the other. And our sister Grace say it again, oh daddy, God bless you. And yeah, time. I say I know a lady, a guy who brought a lady here, and the lady attitude led this guy into deportation. Wow. Mr. Ade movement. We wait to hear now became Yacha because these are the kind of stories we want to hear. Mr. Zegu, welcome. Mr. Rahel, I'll say that's how many Ghanaians get into trouble with the law. Preach on, Mama. I'll say it's true, Mama. God bless you. Kusha, good evening. Welcome. I'll say the only friend that I have is Jesus and my husband. Wonderful. Mr. Prince Okosi, in fact, bro said, God richly bless you for using your platform to benefit us plenty. Yes, we shall. Mami Gladys Upukwasi, God have mercy. At the parish, I say I can see it goes to married couples. At the parish, but I said, please ask mommy. Is it okay? I think there's a call coming. Okay. Hello, Eja.
Yeah, Mr. Cole.
Boss.
Now also for explanation about lady now and attitude.
Yes. Yes, please.
Yeah. It's happening in Hanover.
Hanover, Germany. Okay.
The whole thing is guy no bad consumer. Na obedi no nini Nkrataa. But it's as the Bible says it's about for benantinti no obefa oba fiade ne koi. And Germany is your Rusi boys say oba war. Ya okwembo ofa so wa wonu kwa de automatic so nya Nkrataa. Enti ko no wo nya Nkrataa no. Me person be chishim too much but e wo kwambia be man be fa so ma oba nya Nkrataa nti ka owo second one na odi cover be man so nya ne de. Yeah. That fe ko ba ku no oba nya ne de wie no. Afe be man ne ti ho. Afe ba confirm me nyin sen ma. Se oba no afa ho akwa family plan. Se on pese obewo e de aboa be man mo so nya ne de. Enti be man ko huye no. Ko na nsa koma so antimi ansomu na ebro ne ya eyade. Ti e bamba ye hwe ne ho se be man no. Oni hwe okrom ho. Ye e ba ne se osa betena wie so. But the same thing happen. Obano ongo second one from a beman nya Nkrataa so no opo bi okuta German book and or dia manaba. Eti obi ense obi nya pop obi Nkrataa bi na ewo Holland. Na beman ho so kwakoto. On the way okono no on se chiri ye man so eni ewia no so beto Ghana. Etina me obi be ka say bi a me bom manachi me obi a me pema say me ni be madam for people nim bia onyina yamba my real life my Facebook everywhere me na for onyina yamba but the truth is Ghana ma mo Germany han minua onma brabon en sonya mieni onma brabon bi en sonya mieni because the entire amana basa so nyina ne say aha no say ohwema aha akoda ena oba ena kramai asana beto bema so opani me hu hia oha pa akoda oba kramai na bema to so nan anti hano oba nya wuwi a anasem fa so banya Nkrataa o high make us a powers na wo bema no so wo bema no ndi Nkrataa say if you wo Nkrataa mbona ne bema no no oba ni nyasamo a oba no wo ahead than you na man so wa isan say ye mon ba bi mo mutra e piom dai ka mo free ye mon pocket money dia dintina they don't respect men say the Ghana oba bi wo dwene say oh mawo e man ka me ho enti yi maniwu say e beka say menye kru no Aha, sir, and you going to out. One fan normal. One in the panic casoka just say, Europe, you want no single mothers in Yana, and I don't care. Obi any new problem with your person who to the fans or come which is so young. Single mothers will have a brain. I don't care.
Sikano be your community.
Of course. Because other than free, you can free. Bosu so yes okutankwara mi obeke ka bom ne sike okutana. I think say is enough. It yema emano. They don't humble themselves under the men. Inti jama handi so ka a brand man no board hana. E wum say me mani bi nso e ka ho bi because be bi wo hu so ba bi aba oni Nkrataa. Obedada no because Obana is stranded. Only baby or now only baby or Daniel Dintino. Fine. Yeah, what to me kwada bontene into Oka Kotrane. About be use na 3 months, 4 months, a beer. Koba bona mana fire flu na 1 million Nkrataa na. Na fe no. We you fly. Also you know bontene. So then asem kitu be able to na owo Obana si abontene. Obana only baby kodie no be another Beman and the Safana Confi because ultimately about to my police for my channel my fan. It's another Bema, the book of Fana Confi. It will never also not a man so my body gala 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Minim be a sad bitterness here no. Immediate that be a careful to a demand says so too quiet. That's a German now over. Unim say Uni mama bi papa bi wana sa obadia fa hye utumi se sa situation we no e yade a empower so we dey obetom gise nyame ye wadom na obehia bema bi a friends temfa se bi a wire ready so okoba ware na so okoba na tna na so oba no so wonso suban ye be se 80% good ene de ne nyame ye wadon na fe bema no ebi motimi atena kosi ewie anye sadia sa from John to Peter, from Peter to Paul ne oba utuko ba emenyo adwe se be fa otitiso gisa o ma me bi wo ha ana sa papa bi wo ha wo de ne Nkrataa ebe cover ene die na wo huson na sa wo do ti be pepre disa boss nso no apa Nkrataa ready a minia empa otitiso it's not church mo me free boy get no me deporto boy no any this nyina na kakra me dia sa to so mamuni
amen that's sure
so that's
Mr. Kisimen Frawana and we say oh to two bombs we go Mr. Kisimen Frawana let me know aha okay my main comment section so meanwhile some of these women who have kicked their husbands away go to Indians but Pakistanis for chicken or food for fan pay in kind. I make a lot of say nipa ye bad papa. Hey. Where sister Diamond no. I make a lot of some yeah some Sister Adobe I'm a crying emoji. Sister Jacqueline so you have to stand some women. Sister Diamond says so their lives depend on government. Wow, definitely wasted lives. I feel for these children out. Wasted life. I'm glad I see it's the same in London over here. Mr. Akisi, I see UK. UK is a woman's country. Huh? Oh. Diamond say agreed. Not in Germany alone, worse in the UK. Akisi, if I before let me know so I can call you. It seems you know much. Mr. Iman Arjun, welcome. I think you are from US also. Welcome. Mr. Joseph Daniel Kenny. I say, hey, this is serious. So, Others are influenced by friends to become wicked. Mr. Akisi, dear no. If you are say, my God. Mr. Akisi, some connection marriages cost 7k pounds. That is 7,000 pounds. What the call Ghana Sikama almost 400 million. If I'm not wrong. if I'm not wrong. My converter says 7,000 is 450, almost 460 million. Ope connection paper. 460. Boy. Jenny just thank you, mommy. God bless you. Mr. Kiss, you say others sell work through a third party to their fellow Ghanaian at about 1K. Turn a Juma the Mobi $1,000. Anita, you are welcome. Bruce. Others report their friends to the police immigration. I think I read that. Yeah. I say my mouth is even wide opened. I'm a diamond there, no. Diamond bet was sad. Mr. Kwame, but also odo na ebesi ano. And yeah, no. Okay, I think someone is trying. Let me listen to this first. It's my mutuma kasem why. Mami Anita ne ma bi ni papa mutuma bemuna.
Messi and them about more than comforting me when I saw my papa be can see no ama Kenya me but me bomb than some me shame ho so. I mean be giddy me bomb. It is so sad.
It's very true. Say, nipa yetimi ye ewudisem. My young both men and women. So, oba oya kuna brabum. Naso unim say, onde akuma pa. Eme boa. Me sroma fa body entry ya hoka. So also motive ne say, obefa oya kuma abuse no. No use no a, no misplace na. Onyame a oye the great judge no. Obe judge greatly. Inti na ye bia no yen kan say ye wo ohene bia ye ko jina ne mo bubu ya 10 na uye bia wasase so se asaso so krapo na so wenye oketua aketua da ho ken wo se e papa se e bonne e da ho be e ken wo eniam se ye bia ye adene nka se ade a mi ye edimpa ene be ma me na se ede enka ebeja enka bonne enka ehwam eche ko ba no wonam na so enka papa na enka bono so no ba no ka say go through 1,000 generation.
Hello ma pacho pose Mami Grace.
That's it.
Mama.
Good evening.
Good evening, mama.
Pacho mpesa me kasa kakra.
Pacho kasem.
Me tie program pa me wo so nyina me tie na asomo na papa ne kan sesia no e wo mu sa be me ma ne bi so nye o.
Oh asa no left and right na dia no kwasem
me kwa me tie me hu bi da.
Oh, okay
me hu bi da pa se me fra me ka me story me hu bi da me ni me kru ne ba krom ha se ye ba ye no bra set me hairdresser. Inti me bae no onu di kamba no be fa me bae fie a no otimu no papa ne ye Ghanani papa a onu na yerete inti na me nkwa na me young girl ofin sam ye bibia ofie ho inti me bae 1 week na papa ne me koma obi was salon se me ne nkoye adwuma na me ku na ma me ne pe ma inti braset je se me ye adwuma e de me timi kuta be 300 pa no UK.
Wow,
e de no inti a week na sika menya no na chese menye sika ketwa enti na me ni Nkrataa me kono so ni bi enti ma me ne no si Grace kromo ha say de ense we unu ko ne baaye enti enu ko nwe no ho ni munni account pese me bi account ba ko ma na we save sika na me sima amate me pese me ni me kono dwene ho ansa na mko ka kire me kono na ye bi account no enti me po adwuma bedru fia every scratch me kun so fan go to account ni no dey akoti into ye adwuma saa me ye adwuma cheye into o ka kire me se me ba krom ha sei no kofo bi boa no inti no ɔde nkɔfoɔ no ka nti yɛntu ɔmo ka braset me so okay onyi sika no mfa ntua nko obi ɔde ne ka biara ɛna ɔkɔkyɛ me so watua saa ka na wie na me so okay fine me ni nkrataa wo nso ni bi nti no ma me mboa no sɛ nke sɛ me anaawo ɛna obi benya opportunity sɛ ɔbɛyɛ nkrataa ma yɛ ya na baako de ayɛ na me ka sɛ kyerɛ no braset ndɛ me yɛ madwuma nti da ko me frɛ adwuma ba na efi me papa na frɛ no gyina ba ɛna ɔfrɛ no si Grace wasɛm kamu no kura nyinaa kyerɛ da mpatrɔ ma sɛ ɔsisika na wɔ ma me account mu na yɛ hwan sika na me sɛ da mpatrɔ yɛ mea ɔsi Grace ɛni tro me sɛ da ɛyɛ mea ɔsisa na wɔn amaka kyerɛ sika no ukunu yi sika ne fra account mu na me sɛ da bi ɔsi me sɛ pasa hɔ kwana me ho ɔso ɔkwan hɔ ɔsi ukɔ fie ɔma me wɔ fie wɔyɛ ɔbaa se wɔ no a bisa ne sɛ asɔ no maka akyerɛ enti one country na enne waka kyerɛ me sɛ ukunu si ɔma ne £1,000 na wogina hɔ na me yere se wɔn te ase enti wakesu ho akyerɛ me ɛna me se on country so mpɛ sɛ ɔbɛka bɔ wale sɛ mu enti me ka toto kɔ abisa no na me se da mate braset me yere frɛ na me frɛ ma me na wɔ kɛkyerɛ me se ma da kasa mu se akyerɛ na ma ɛte sɛ ɔsi Grace yampa braset na me gyina afɛ no su ɔrɔ me ana ma yampa sɛ ɔsi Grace yampa na even pokura no ɛda aka so kora ma me sika no free account ni ma ɔsi ene kora ɔsi me £1,000 ma na me se ma sɛ bɛ na wɔka no ɔsi na me se ma nti sika account me ɔsi Grace sika na account ni nyina asa aka better me pa me £1,000 yi na aka better me pa account ni braset na me ho so ɛna ma me ne se Grace me nka nkyere no sɛ wo hu de ɛkɔ mesa ma account for mo wasi sika wo na me se mama tete braset ohun se be 1 month me fesi ka ma no ha me si oso ohwe obonea me hwe fom kra wo hwe manim
you stupid man no
NS3 ya fere osi ye free fee ho e tu free fee ho ko oni ho de ma na nua bakro mu ha o de ne nua nkata be ma na ne bakro mu ha se sika na ofa me sika eye nkrata de ma ne nua bakro mu ha se enunti no ekai kum se wankum me na de ye kanya ne se enye manya na me ya madwe se me ma ne fa ne nkofie da e ma me di nkoto so enti wo boma me hu nyina papa ka me nko GP ye hu se de ekoso me kwa adwuma menyi me ho obi ehu me ho me fa sa pe na mu ba se e ma enye easy be bre papa okumu ha na afi do no aka se poye na okofa oba ho fo ne wo ye eyi bibia na afi do so wagya wonti me ntabe na ye wale gugu ye enne mi ti ho yi ba se bi sua adwuma o ensunya me adwuma menye be ma na wale ma o ye nurse ni o UK from ha se uta ne nkrata ma ewu me ma mienu nyina obia omu nyina keto mu krom ka bu ko me nkrata enne obi de me ne na ye adwuma na ono aso fo fo mu okrom ha no enti no enye ma nkwa na ye sa me ma no nsu bi ye bi enye ma
enti ba ko na ne ntamuti
ono ko wale kura ko fo ba fo kwan na wo ye na mini mu sa e mo sa da na me ko ne nkyese ha ne mu do wale me frifie enti o ge kura na on de o ba fa na o ha sentiment sam na ma mo frɛ me ne me kasa ye me sa ko ne fie me ko ne fie no me bom pese papa boy yi e kwa ya boy ready me fa so ne wo ye no boy na asa mini mu no enti radi di manim braset e say me ko bedroom me ko ne fie bedroom ye no o feel sending me audio and room or sending me room no nim bi ti enwom na sata mo no ne get ne yere na warranty so ne wo de mo a jo mo yanko mo de nyina record ka mo de be ma na wo nim ena me hu ne nyina sasa rawe ne wo bo na me twen ho 1 month ma ne hu so apoye again ho ade ka ne again anya ma wo esi ka hu kwan so ko sa de be fa so okrom ha se di nti nya ma ne nko me ma no nsu bi eye bi ema ni bi pa na UK krom ha nyasem ketua me ti bi da bia me hu de ekoso nti ye kumufo ema ye say me ma ni ye ma nyina ema ni bi nye me ma ni bi nso nye nti nye enye ema nko
nti o bo ba no reporting deport wa ene eno etimode na waye wa na so waye
efie kwati na emu no na Nigeria ne every coast for no gufio na wo bom ya mese minu we odem wo omu na be gu be na da na chiro mo bom na de omu so ni nkrataa o no mo bom de nyasam keto
weak man I don't know ko pe be ma no ne nko
braset me se otimi kasa sebe be from say de nkrama e form ho abonten me na me do from ni be mapa enti no obi on fa me enti o yina na kese me sumo na me ti enyem ma no sonko adi me ma me ti ye me kwa me net ya say bra say ye kasa nkofo sin point ombo so be omo je dance na mo ma wo 5 years ni me nye adwuma ti
Obe tia seka na me be tia na ka
what you are saying to your man nyina na eye bone me ma ni bi so ka ho pa me ma ni bi so ka ho
oye wudi for papa nyankopo be tia na ka papa
ewo program ha say nya so go chapa set me see me hu nyina papa me ntimi nkoji me ntimi
nko bo ba sen
papa na yo kwata na infinity me twa me otimi video me hu nyina papa o se ka me ba no one day we enanko be ko Ghana so because say you na wo me ntino wontimi nka ye frefie so a omunyemi ma me kura nyemi ni de boy ni be sa aka no me se enne no mo hu se de boy no wositie enne no mo hu se de wositie enti no di be bu ho abra se to do bokru ma ko onu wa Ghana mpo no be yusu aye se de ope adwen ka na tirim adwen so ye different enti ye ka ye nka fa bebe ma ne nyema ne so binye enye obi no ho ne be matere ma ne no good o ba ne bone anase bi just say e o mi so beto ye bone ye ba
e be yi
saneti enti bi braset enye izenti me ba edwa me ba ye nyina sata me nya 1 pound point free look if you yi tell me pan of crack and class aka ho say yi nyina sa aka ho me nya 1 pound point free ne ho ye kromu ni pa enti braset enye easy sa enye easy sakra enye se nyema ekoso no ye ka se omka UK hanse se mebre wo hase so woti a ema ne bi kwan ya omka se eye tanta na emo yawe de mi ku fedon ba ozu that they be Ghana for grand for enya stop e do mbe gu hospital kese wo ka cha se yawo ni pay amanfo komu no cha se ba se anoden Ghana for bre wo krom ha papa bi no o boss grace na menye obi Ghana name to hospital wo kese o mo bro o ni Nkrataa kwa yese ni ko fi ye ko ye meetings ni pai SETH ni ko fo ni Nkrataa SETH ni ko fi krom ni a wo ye say ni ye wo ye kwa ye hwe do be ko fi because o ni Nkrataa nti do be ko fi enti no enema e ko so krom ha na nya sam ketwa SETH ye hia pa bopa e wo Abrokyire krom ha ye hia pa ye bopa papa ni easy enti mi de besim obi so abamu bi ye da se pass ni ejuma mo ni ma mo ni da ya mi hira mo o juma mo ye ya mi hira mo pa anim se da ma kwatia wo soro ya mi hira mo
amen
bye bye
mami Anita
Papa I was here gume seriously I was here gume ya mami a obeka wasem sisi a ya da sepa na sanka wunya kukudro no abo be makro ni dia mama ate anka ye so pa but me da se papi o yes I negotiate den ohun and na me se me in charge you but wama all of a sudden me mood asesa o yes no enekosi den eya sebe mo ma ye nye ye ho se oman kwasiafo agimifo no mu ni tre no wo ma ewi ase do wo kon ye wo de ade papa si wo nchen because say ewi ase akata wani enti when hu ade papa na nsomu yie so ehun pasiade ekobaaye jimi unitre Jeremiah 4:22 na eka na meka onyame asem na eka na meka ewie akire no wo wewie ye na kosi sen oba men a okwafo obi baba na wuhu sika keke we are shallow minded person. I wish I could have seen you face to face.
Obako meso na onu bi onu bo oba sa ni pawe ya na be say ehia on say one on one na kamaba
We are very shallow-minded person. That's what we treat. What treat your bani say? I will fear now. Be share me wa bonti. Now on me aba besre.
We need deport mo. Na mako janga na sa oba na aya me deport. Na obo no tsa aponche no. Aponche kra obo no osu. So we jimi a na woni mu nyansa. Apo aponche kra e wo feelings.
Hey, Seth, I know when you have prepare. I like that. I like your vim. I like it.
Mama, me when I hear this kind of abuse stories, now I mean on a different level. Like it's painful. It's painful.
Yeah, because as Anita said, the person have a shallow mind. Because the only that what the future holds for you Anka, who abuse you bano. Whoa, a bit part there instantly. I said microwave woman. Or prepare she or microwave, but okay, there's so microwave more. Within some seconds now. But also what's not would just what it takes a long time for the food to cool down. A bit of what they want instant gratification. They want everything instantly. Instant this, instant that. And nothing na problem no. And nothing na nipa ma yehu nyame na person no ye you asase su yehu ya problem.
Because we are quite low and come mumu say na kamachimogum mo. Mo say na kamachimogum pa.
Yeah. It is so true. Because
why? Why would you do that to a human being like that?
It's sad. It's sad. Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy on people.
Yeah, so now I was comporting myself till this bit.
Yes, I know.
Who didn't sika? Who are another guso, and you expect her to keep quiet. My man quite an watcher. I may say nipa unye nipa ya abwasa ne de. Well say do ko be afi bae. Do ko da cage. You deserve you.
Ma me a offer share our stories is ya me share bibi hu. Me hu bibi. Eye se wanye ne hwe. The word if a person sighs, it goes a long way. A curse on you forever. Bible say will be ties you so betine won sade abo wan kasa wo hu nipa. Eyo ba or ye won fem pade. Na wo betumi abo wo hu. You can't slap yourself. One kasa just imagine say wo de won say pray wasumu kra ne ya. Just imagine how
you
it is.
You can't beat your own sister.
To talk about
but you are doing that to someone else's daughter.
Yeah. Papi, me say minimum memma. Omotine omonsa wo maso enkrofo maba so my bravo na ye miserable. They are pleading omo pachew
oba na ho de yense
pachew say emma na ye de yensa kan omo no omo de omo bone be cho mi hu ane so ma na de omo bone a cho omo papa uko na ye wo say wo ye ma hye oba ni ti sabi uko fa jantre ni na e de ko share dem ho na mo fa mo ho no. Now we recording now they one sister be wadwin sapa meaning sister be wan kasa kra o ye o be kasa ma ye ade enume ho e na me ma me ho kwan mo bronsan we be wi ame edwaman honhum na ati mu enibre honhum wan baby kra enibre na de wa kwa wi enibre de edwaman ba e de your friend say proudness eba enibre de haughtiness eba so
we be man na odwuma die no so na bo yera wani me gu ase no wani me gu ase ankasa wani me gu ase
so we
yes
no so we this year obana nyame aye na dom we yi na frisa busuye honhom na wotimu no a odi gunus no nyame aye na dom we yi afri ho wa ma na ni dia foforo see no obepese obesanso akọ but one kasa wo de wonsa akotete for net here I build it an image you can't break it. Clap for yourself wherever you are. If you are watching this program, me say, but when say one kasa because I know me and now they are told so no and yami empathize is going to go into the next generation and the next generation because of your stupidness. Because of your stupidness, when to me and share wa kono so Wahu sika wahu so ba ni sika ba ni nsem nti papa the dia nti na akọfa ni free Ghana de ne baaye
ene ma dia
wada ne ho kokosechi kakraka wa wuntu nsi ota na ehwo ena sika kese ena wudi wo brown ni sika na enya wo dia na nka hunu nyansa mpo na ni oba ne ntina se na monken ana oma o just a little go ahead say koko bie bank account and akona koyi sika ni biniti you thought said that was it. You see how stupid you have been. You see how shallow minded you are. If I were to be you, if I were to be you, because I saw Chiana Babas, more so what I could find a free baby, and I didn't have fruit plain, I didn't have bet Nahan. What share with your poor boss said? What be channel? Won't share your money. You were disgrace to manhood. God forgive me, but I have said it. You are a very big disgrace to manhood. You, this particular man, you are a very big disgrace to manhood. God will judge you. What me do on Sabo? Because of Sika. Hey, and you know, when person may charge it, but mammy, my sorry, meeting. You were a very foolish man. God forgive me for saying this, but the book of Jeremiah chapter 4, verse 22, say, foolish generation. O man kwasi afo. And the make natural no. So that's abre ayo say wonkwa na ayo obema and people were cheering you on. Say fa oba na wo akwa fa na ba ekrom ha no fa nechi. Say fa nechi. And you were also exhibiting your madness. Na uwia wakwa koye de wasanso akofa koti kwan so aka so nja ni kunu no aware no presently no nombra mbe ware ukobie wa no kraka so nyame beto wa no mu credo nti uduru so be bie wa no aka sa untumi ube horo so sa na o de free ho because I no me na dia to ho so no no me kese na dia to ho so hwe onyankopon amaye o si ya wade nyinara ho kwan o 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 12. Enya ni nyinara na edibu ayenyo. Me say wo de won sa akotete no me say ebekoso wo wabrabom, ebekoso wo wabrabom, ebekoso sa afi wonam na wo so ejapade a wonnim. Ba wona wakotete. Wona wo de won sa akotete. Eye den na oba UK se wo ba beje. Then now fruit plain Abrokyire say wo ba beje enti wo ma wo ho kwan mobro something di sika ni etimi di wi a wo sa dia ben a wa hu nyame ampata no wa mbe mu a e no be yi efiri wo nsem e na nyame me nka se nyame ma ni mbrem e no be yi hwere ne kra na wa fa phone wa fra ebusiafo wo fie e na abena na fa nko se na ehua na de be na bibi kakra bi na wa te afi ana be ka
bre pa wa dem yeah ngofo bom ankaso mukunu no mu bom papa de beti no mani hu na so o so so atiato o so so twantro
emma mo wa hey amoti UK emma treat musa midi e wo Facebook e de inshiraba abena mukọ ho no ma me shatade tuna koko e wo inside na orange e na me share grey e wo ho e share jeans trousers mo message me
e be o mu adwuma.
Mon send me messages our Facebook on the obedi sankwasi assembly bi atra obi a mon send me na mon fam mon nyama me. It is about time as sankwasi asemu we nyinara nya jimi sam no we di free krasi di aba bedu krom. It is about time we stop all this foolishness and I'm going to stand in and do that. De ben no dia ben dia ben wo bonnet said dia sabi wenya akola ketwa na obo na wo background ka obo ne sa wo bra woni mu se ekro na wotim ye ntene ye nsa ambo ba ma me wa ya de se wo deport no papa ye deport wo na wo bra na wo ba be bra wo kromo ha no you have no clue
sani pa we ni neoma nko ya na kwa kwa
wo ba be bra wo kromo ha no you have no clue
imo so komo holidays
you have no clue wa hu de tia na me ka say ebi mu wo ho no ma onyankopon de ade bro mo so mu hu kra no ebi ni o
Yeah, it's so true.
Because so who said 300 and a banning sim every blessed day na yesikano. Me no one can nyansa na ma bra me once near ye bribi together. Ye body ya nka se oba ne nkwa ye bebo ye mienu nyinara ye din. Ba so hu jimie. We hu anibre, we hu oya otan. We hu ye di wa kwa wie na ye osa wo ye oba ni nti wakofo obi di na be hye dem na sabi mo fa mo ho na wo record the chat. Papa we jimie o.
Grandpa.
Jimmy, me nyao. Jeremiah chapter 4 verse 2, asem na make actual 22. Asem na make actual Jeremiah chapter 4 verse 22. Why your ho man kwasia, who ni tre. Who ni tre. Who ni tre. Sika ketu ebinti. And who says anka woto obu ase anka sika na nkonko ye bebre. E ma mo mienu mo enjoy. Hwɛ Ghana for me sebi mo ma mo ho kwa ma sika tu ni wia mo adwen.
Obi say ye wo man bi so won bo mema. Ano so mi enka ho asem. Aha, obi frɛ me ba. Hello. Hello, mommy.
Good evening.
Good evening, mommy.
Oh, maybe I can't.
What about your casa?
Because maybe I was a mechanic say, I'm say brother about who by the man comment before Germany. Say a man, you know, what kind of one name of more can say a man. Name of her and comments me say. My dear Bakwamish Matana saying when they say Sika abino ede man kwala Tebosu me say Nkrataa me di gina so edi gu aware egu bebre adenti Sika enye wo be ma ne dia enye wo oba ne dia na emom no aban ne mom na ama akwa ne sika
Ten kwala ne podia boy
na say sika no na oba no ene be ma no ekwo ntokwa be ma ne se fuma me oba no se me na e dia to my account um nti no me na e se me de hwa akola no be ma no se se enti ase enye adwuma nti se sika no kra no etimi dia wawe go ba enti ase enye adwuma sika ni bre eda oba nafa eda be ma nafa enti no omum bia nti na se sika no so nya modia on dia make sure no asem me sister yi kan ye na efia na metimo na sister bi etifie o na papa no na ekofa na yeri free Ghana no wode ne baaye si de bra ne si di kan chechem Nkrataa asem ne se be ma ni bia ese oba no be ma ni oba yin se na ekwan obefa so mo di sa ne ti aha na akwakoye be ma na oba na ye sa de ni nyina oba no woni de wa yesiken wa be ma to susu anya ni de ekwan ya be ma no odi oba no fa so ne say o se ma sister no father amfo sister no shine fi be se 45 papa no so be 50 something o se ma sister no father amfo adenti ma no father amfo o father amfo a on na ya namfo be say sister no asori a sister ne ko wa ma sister na ja asori and a sister ni TV adenti na wa ma sister na ja asori o TV a okwa asori o chedodo asori so sometimes edumo pa no pa edumo kwa ewia nti so okwa asori 12 o'clock and I say ewia 2 o'clock 12 o'clock ubebe yimre wase na yire ni chedodo nti ma sister no nkwa asori ampa wo ma sister na ja asori ko en wo TV okay wo so ne sister na be kwa asori wo so awu nkwa asori na wo de sister ne ne mana kobi e na wo TV eti one day bi if you are near Timono or more from na meme wasro. Then say ntokosem. If you so saw be man with Timono, nobody in Kenya allow say was a be martinifio. Because Obano kwane de mano. Inti hona wo tino, ukra wo via wo na wo ti ho. Then senka wo kwa wo sanity. Ena wo sister no break papa no wo bo sister no. E wo dem ho. Dem na wo bo no so sister no so enam se kasa no
eye dede ne ntino neighbor onu ni twam no ete na me ma frustro ba na neighbor nam so ye sa abrafo ni bi e no no do ka ja me say on pese obefre police because omo wo ma me no it is all free police see aba see na one e be sa two wo be ma no e kwa be so na afa so be efie ho no ma oto do nsa be kan oba no enti ma me ne boss na me ko bo no ka che o mo say ti dia se me si bia e be ya o mo ntwa asem ne so because baby kona mo wa mo yes ade no enye edi kra ehuma mo mi no nti be ya mo ntwa so ene je so mo twa so mi ko kromba na me share sister no eno no acha asese wo de bane ebo me asem ni nyina ne say oti Ghana no baby kona o ye adwuma no onam krom no wo share sister baako e wo krom ti enam so mo ho ache ni nti no we di ye ya yankofa na je so mo atuba mo mo na wo sika na wo kra che we se me mini kuniti ha we se me ka fe na me shoma ba foforo ene wo se je me number na na me pay adwuma no wa ye bi wa ye de wa pe bi ama me ena wo se wo je number no into oba wa be ku akohu ne yonko bi wo a nipa no wo Ghana wa be hia no ha ena obobo be ma na mane say me kura me ko hia so mesise yo no ono ko de ne number ama me into wo say ya me mfrem enu ani entokwa na da very dey no mo ko ntokwa enu ani be ma ne say adenti na wo de ne number ama sister ne say won frɛ no enu ti be ma ne de asem na hye ne mu inti sister ne so wa story anopa wa ye late ese so wo ye one wo be ma no so no wonye adwuma oba ne so nye adwuma because ne bani sa inti sika aba ne de ma akola sister ne ma no eno na wo no manage because wonye adwuma aba no ma sika bia because wonya mfaso bi en free so at the same time no so sika no so ye ne inti wo wuti fie ene so oba ne mum na okọ school na ese waba inti oba ye na obebo obema na amane ne enam say wan ka bibia no bema ne de asem na hye ne mu ena ba ne so opentem to omoa na opanyin bema panyin no onye yi wasi adenti na oba na kwaka ne sa na oba na tia no eno ne sa ada na no pa by 6 o'clock wo bo sister no ofi won enunti se say no baby ko omo che wo twa fi akotina baby fifro se say amene wo ka say omuma mienu no yaje ba akọ government na aje ba akọ be ma panyin no wo mu no government na aje ba akọ e na aka wo ba akọ sister no atiti a wo fa no wo e na ono kura so che say efia ye titi no wo mu no ye di nyamesom na titi wo mu be ma na ma na ja sorry e no tifie wo be ma no so wo so nkwa sorry na wo de oba no so akobi na akoye so obi awa resem ti no mihia ne se nipa ne ka I mintimi nka ne bebre because obi awa resem me hu no oni niku no omo ware dada nti no nya obeka ne say yiro hu na bompa ye onyame beye na sister no kondo so obesom nyame na nsu be ma na hye ne pampe say o ma ne nkwa so no father amfo ama ya be tumi to boni because be ma ne tifie onye adwuma up to this time enti so onim se so father amfo a obi betu asemboni aguna som say adeti na be ma ne tifie na wo mom na wokoba up to this time be ma ne nye sanity aha enti ne sister ni de otimi po sister no wono so no enam se wono so ne nye afika kanti ayana enema bi ya ne ferie say okoka akire obi ena ade no ehye no ho enti Abrokyire ni de emema ni bitimi de mani bi ba because bebre na me matete bi se be ma de oba beba kwan ya ode ne be fa so sa so na be ma so ko fa oba ba so a ekwan ya ono so de nipa ne be fa so no aho me tekeke eti Germany ha de eso obi an ko ne pom ebetimi aga se ebi wo ba bia nanka awarifo mienu ntina se ama se sika 200 ye de ma akola na se sika ni ntino etimi gu aware just sa keke na egu aware na se obi afa ni we sika ni brenti iti ade ni de e wom se wo ba bia ni na ni se ranye mu kunkuru na nkasa ebedi nipa anim nkan wɔn a wɔn ware yɛ ne wɔn no so a wɔn di kan de wɔn ti akɔhyɛ mu a wɔn hunu amaneɛ ɛsɛ wɔntumi nyi wɔn ti firim ɛsɛ sɛ baa na wɔbɔ mpaeɛ ɛsɛ awurade ne pɛ ne sɛ nsesa ɛbɛba mu a hallelujah ɛsɛ pipa atwa metumi deɛ na wɔ kakraka no
Mami Anita yɛda ase yesu nhyira paa
bye.
Mami Anita ne ma bi ne yate de
Yo,
horrible stories.
yeah, that's it.
Horrible stories.
Yeah, that's it, mommy. It is one thing. I am not here to castigate any person, Debbie. But the nyame asamo kano eno na megina so na medekasa. Story ya yati CCA, it is something that is happening in somebody's life. Therefore, ye tie no na yankasa yesua bibi free mu. And ye ya honhomo ene ete hunamudua we mu. And ye Christo somo no ana ye nyame somo no se baako ma ne ho kwan ma wiase bewre mu a obedane honhom foforo ofri Yesu ban bonase efa honhom foforo editina ne mu na saa honhom no na operated through onu nipa kro no enu nti se waka kire wo se gya nyamesom na bra beti na fia maami the wutie enda me pa choment na sekwa. So catch say isolate yourself from people. Mommy, it is a clue or a cue for you to start intensifying your prayers. But I have internet, so I don't have to. I don't know you. I don't know if I could see you on Facebook. That mean me can't show inbox muma. Me can't say kodine bone. But eyade kitwa bi mommy ma won paibo mu enya den. Because of Bronsam na beti ne fie ho no enye ukunu na mommy anhwe ade bi Yesu Kristo or is it say otia Peter there be or rebuke Peter na Peter ye nesue ni o odo Peter pa eba ne say na Yesu Kristo rebuke Peter. It is so simple because at that instant no Peter no wasn't the Peter who was speaking.
That will not take you over.
That's it. That is why he rebuked Peter. And not only nipa ne tifie, now nipa ne voice, nipa ne ye, na suddenly nipa ne sesa na catch us say get away from Christ. Ne na say for na just get to know say you are heading towards doom. And so you have to increase or intensify your prayers. So that God will take charge. Because the moment now the devil will come in to steal, to kill, and to destroy, he will not kill only, he will not destroy only, he will not steal only, but he will kill you as well. Into your door, akra me meka wa hani. Ma weni na.
Okay, Ebusianfo, I mean read the comments and I'll my the part 5, but you chum 3 good hours. I mean I made part 5 and so bad we are part 4. Let me see. Yeah, yesterday my sister men are dangerous. Akisi, it's all lack of knowledge because we only look at the Bible like a storybook, but not a spiritual book that will imbue us with positive energy to block the wickedness that comes from friends. Mr. Joseph Daniel Kenny, I say the same thing happened to my uncle, and now my uncle has been deported back to Ghana. Asemo said. Mr. Casey, I said this is a devilish, demonish man to have treated this lady like that. Mr. Dam, I said what? He is a user, brother. In the UK, men are very bad. Amianji Ajimandi, no. Mr. Diamond, I said possessed by Ankasa. Mr. Casey, I said UK is a hell for Ghanaians who don't have papers. Sister Diamond, bet you as a question, sister. I make Gladys. Where is money? It's difficult to find love. Thank God you did not have his children. Sister Diamond, you know. Sister Rhoda Machi, I've been listening very bad news from UK. Mr. Diamond, I saw a Baroda. Kobe, Mr. Kobe, but please don't say that because you are a program leader and we are all sharing ideas about the issue. So say what you know. Mr. Kobe, Mr. Tnamohono. When it comes to sensitive issue like this, punch or bano, I know dear, menya gentle. The Venusi say pan, a binum pad by and bapa, and Camania IT, Kamakoya law. I met a sa squad in Nagu prison. Honestly, when it comes to these kind of stories, I name a bufu. Ubo who will be up or by bisa plaster from family nim. Chere say, Bearman on an two or no, I am to say, you know. So when you're DNA, memam cocoon. So who ye dear, and name memam cocoon, and found comb or basso. What else? If you boa pim for dinner. We nipa ben. We nipa ben. So we tell me to make the now boy yet. Be very extra careful. Be very extra careful. I don't know if I'm called Bonton and member no cocoon. I jemmy one on hoarding. A banning your hoarding to now bono. We are not answering one and will be tea, wound the mayo. A baby move better demono. It's a diamond. Oh, brother said I am emotional and I'm mechanical. When it comes to these things today, I'm a different person. Esther, Jenny G. Some of the Ghanaians. My make like this said I saw your tears. Esther Diamond, and they can even articulate him. Sister Grace, I say, oh mommy, it's true. Mr. Diamond, as a pompous squat. I make like this. Some women are suffering indoors. Mami Adobia, I say, oh, I am very sad, very sad. Mami Angie Ajaman, some women are suffering in silence. SethEkow someone, as when you drop it that. Mr. Kisi, there are women who also grind their men, but they feel shy to say it. And also obviously I can't want some. Your money be almost so bomb member because bear money person better and so also. Your Bible was said that let it one compare so bomb and also your body be warm yaji for. As a woman yam or bomb. Yam owns a bear or person yana bear bono. As a wutian conquer you shia. The monster be tin mua. No papa one. Ma dey na work am. Man so almost harass member no. Your man.
Me hu ni amen campo. Mama we are saying ya would to the extent so bet it you be ba say opa fa on saka me na be bom me neck.
Man, I do much na don't dare man. Man, never do that.
Of course. Someone na we be one account. No be man no wo there no bet me atamse kan we ni show.
There are some women like that. Who you nipa dem?
A whole lot. A whole lot. You do not dare. Not a man alone, a woman and kasa. You do not dare anybody. Because a some no akano and it will bounce back to you. So we should be very careful.
No we free ni nipa bi ma ko ra aboa bi mu no aye amwane o ma.
Ho na obe hu.
Ya oba o ye nipa ben. O we be ma fansa kame. So e be ma no nsa account. Nti be mindful of the kind of words you utter. Be mindful. When you careful pa. Oba we say ebi e ma ni bi anu ya e chemoko. Be ma ne ka wa no waka be 3000 words within seconds.
Oh, it is very true.
So you be an provoke be man be man yen bibi no nya kwam ye deport no. And also mon shan so. Yeah, see you two okra for no. Ye two momonefo. Ye trouble me man say omunja man na bo no ye oba hwe kasa yi. Be mindful. You will be wo ha. Wo hye na bufo be piako. Ombe so. Na wanya asem. You will also on what time you want to aboa no na ye man. Sada no fa ho nchew. It's when you're careful. Yo. I say okwasiana na sum frefre sotro. E Bible mu. It's in the Bible. Okwasiana so frefre sotro. Yo.
Looks like a proverb.
Proverbs,
So sense Ecclesiastes. Yeah,
Proverbs.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Kiss, you money or money. Mr. Casey also don't judge and don't blame the man. The man really needs deliverance, so the woman should stop the insult and rather pray for a change of heart. You will boo her, papa. You need that home. Now the demon here, I don't to me the demon nibi. The demon or not two no do yense. When you do go to no. Eja, ibu ha ya na boapa yo mo sheda no me sir. Cecilia. Was it? Mr. Kisi, Ghanaians are too stagnant with religion and don't know how to upgrade themselves to spirituality. Obi a spiritual pa so obone yere. Aso for kwa abo am yere. Mr. Kisi, also yes, the devil is there to do his almighty given to job to do. So we have to upgrade ourselves spiritually. Mr. Kwame Bata said, "Wow, who oba na no ya pen." Who oba na no ya down. Oba na no ya pen. Hey, Mr. Kwame no. Mr. Kiz, some of the women are like anopheles mosquitoes. They wouldn't allow their husbands to sleep. Now, Susa, and the Nkrataa. Hey. Why? To mama, me and my final words. I mean, I'd made the part 5 of it to us. I mean, I'd made fear. Me 2 coins. I don't know whether some bantaman I mean, I don't know. Or some cocoja or Kiev or watch am way bay. Inti. In my final talks. My brepa na in rested.
Yeah, mechanic say. Abrokyire brabo Nkrataa sem ni bibia enye easy eno nti yawofo no ma mo Ghana yesremo say mama etu kwan ba Abrokyire in the first 6 months no mama mfa pressure into also because they have to find their feet. 12 months yesremo mama mfa pressure into also because obi wo hwa no ma still 1 year no on finding the feet here because of ateti okomo wa henti. Na yasramo ya keni akasa mote Ghana ompe bribi nye mama mfa mwani ntu nipa baako so wa ba Abrokyire nti ebeda hot di amano there be o the level or system of Abrokyire is different from near yen wo mu wo Ghana nipa ne ba obeko through all these processes and so bedru baby kro onyankopon aka so bedru obedru obi mu wa ha sabe omoba no mu go through that process when they get so frustrated and omo jai omo home say obranam for omo sa until they cannot achieve their purposes on a foreign land. Yes, mama mene pape ebusuafo amu Ghana make us a mama mfa mwani nto ase mesi na ono pewetu kwan so because nipa no has ono so na brabo to live nti oba na obebo bra no na eyi a na obetu bi amani ebusuafo maye mfa ye ni ento ne so oba be hassle ansana eno nti pe bibi ye wote Ghana no pe bibi ye said ye be ya wo bo nipa no epono mu at a particular time na nipa ni mfiu ya obetumi akwakobo wankasa wo bank pono mu na de kro na aboa kakra meka wa ha ni ya wofo no mu yesra mu bebre Abrokyire kwantio no enna fem enye trasa we go through a lot eno nti pe bibi ye
impressive
onua we wie school also wo twen so brother mbra mbeboa
o de mebra be family
you get up to do something for yourself
no wonya 50 years.
The earlier you get up to do something for yourself, the better for you. I have seen people omotina say me bra wa Abrokyire, me sister wa Abrokyire, and omotina say 60 years, 70 years no more wu ni esi omo. Me be into. Kakra me kan no bra set.
Matipa mama. Mabi. Okay. Mabi in around. Okay. Bushanfo yedi anusi ami admire the part 5 and baba me pa chow yesu nshira mo pa se mu na ba dwumedie no we are all learning enti Baby biara o bia na ne enhye, we are all going to learn. Say ebia na ye can bibi na say anya woda fache, we are human beings. Sometimes we deal with our feelings and emotions. Panche anyame adoma ye besan so hia. Yesu onhyira mo. Onya mo kese ewo Yesu dimu. Pache share link we fam obi na ono so metie bi. Yesu onhyira mo na onya mo kese. Obi bia good night. Yesu on come on. I love you all.